Yo, what's good? It's your boy Tim Westwood TV. We're here live at the inauguration. I'm the only nigga that took this fucking job. I'm getting paid in pounds. It's lit. We have some fire acts up next. My man Tangerine Man has pulled out all the fucking stops. It's lit. Drop a fucking bone. My God, this nigga pulled out all the stops. Yo, who we got on deck right now? Who we got on deck right now? Step to the mic. Step to the mic. It's the motherfucking grind boy, straight out of the East End. Hey, talk to him. Throw the fucking beat on.
Trump's in the house. Tangerine and Mouse. Got Beef Burlington in the White House. Grab by them.
My God, what a flame performance. What a fire flame performance. My penis is erect. God damn, Donald Trump is in the building. We out here. Ben Costa, what do you got for me, baby?
I got something fire for you niggas right now. I'm stepping to the mic. It's not gonna be me. I can't give you these bars of fury. We're gonna throw to Candy. Candy, take these niggas away into a magical place of vocality. By the way, I just replaced the brain of a hamster with that of a cockroach. That's right, throw them. Oh, yeah, hey, no panties on the stage, please, please. Candy, take these niggas away. Do the motherfucking drum.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Yo,
episode 52.
My
It's
God.
the most dangerous podcast in the world. We're in the
Damn.
Octagon. That is Red Bull Studios with the crystal clear clarity.
That's right.
Yo, we're glowing. This is gonna be a
Oh
good
my
episode.
God,
You feel it already.
niggas are coming from the Kanye
Feel it. I
platform.
feel like Mello, like that night when he was up against the fucking, like he dropped it. Kimber wasn't playing.
Yeah,
He
nigga.
set the scoring title.
Yeah.
That nigga, we about to go in. It's
He
your
said, how
boy.
many more I need? How many more I need?
Right, he hit 3 shots in a row. I was there. I was gone. I was Smack City.
That's right.
And he hit 3 shots in a row. And I was like, he's going for scoring time.
Yeah.
Today we're going for scoring time.
Yeah.
Because it's your boy, Jesus Nice, a.k.a. Jesus Vice, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, a.k.a. Pocket State Fat Like Terrier,
Goddamn.
a.k.a. Chris Ass Porzingis,
Damn.
a.k.a. Eli Lippy,
That
a.k.a.
guy.
Butcher Blues Gutter,
my
a.k.a.
God.
Slow But I Might Know You, bitch,
No.
a.k.a. Young Day Party.
What?
Young Hot Take.
Oh, my God.
Jesus H. Fuego, Mr. Nando's with a Rando,
That guy.
Miguel going off. The Juve boss. MC Little Gunga P pulling up for 40 with your shorty. AKA don't talk to me in the Uber pool. I don't know you. I actually was trying to pull up a Uber X, but because of the way the app is set up, I
accidentally-
pulled the wrong thing.
I'm
I pressed the
sorry.
button.
Don't talk to me.
The original My Plus One got a plus one though. Don't make a fuss, son. Look at that fucking iPod and look and make sure my name's on there, my nigga. These is Rossi, the Jamaican Jew.
Oh my God.
I got circumcised at 33.
We're at a curry goat, sorry.
You know, I'm sorry. Jermaine Avocado Toast.
Damn.
Young Pow. The Ghost of Mufasa. Go fuck Nala. Young Chacoonery without the coonery. A.K.A. Chili Lamone, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Can't okay. Remember when I threw at Richie Sexton's head? Not so big sexy anymore. Vice K. Makuzaka.
Swish.
3 Phone Jones.
God.
Jesus X Machina. Jay Chuckles, Stanley Cups, the human Dr. Bonner's label, dilute. Mr. La Marina, Miss Marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor, a.k.a. Leonardo DiTrapio, a.k.a. Mr. 24B. I like my Pinot Blurry. A.k.a. DJ Woolite, you're listening to Washed FM, a.k.a. the Curried Goat.
Oh, shit.
A.k.a. your problematic babe.
Wow, bitch. Slip me some tongue.
Yeah.
Yo, goddamn, it's episode 52. I'm so hyped. I'm
Go in, nigga.
Boy, it's your boy.
Take your shirt off.
It's your boy. I'm taking my fucking shirt. I might have to take my shirt off. Yo, it's your boy, the human do-rag flap. You know what I'm saying? Curve Gotti. Triz Khalifa. Skirt loader. You know what I'm saying? I know fucking baby and fucking man.
He's a
You know what I'm
man.
saying? Check the motherfucking guest list because my name is definitely on there. And no, I'm not stepping to the fucking side while you check, nigga.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? Dad of the year.
Dad.
You know what I'm saying? Big smack me, Yumbo. You know what I'm saying? The Dominican Dundada. Ben Boston with the precision of a Swiss wristwatch. I open your medicine cabinet, so please put the benzos elsewhere unless you want me to OD in your bathroom. You know what I'm saying? The Zen Man. Rico Sabroso, Baby Newport, Nino Brown. The East Street by Stevie B. You know what I'm saying? Pulling up for 3. Who is it? Barmelos Anthony. If you see me in Target, respect my agency, nigga. Approach me like an oso. Like a bear. You know what I'm saying? I'm in the building. You know what I'm saying?
Out here.
The plantain supernova. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont with a champagne and a fucking I'm on Zans.
Yo, we out here. Goddamn, I'm about to smash the table I have.
Bodega Boys in the building. Ah! Sorry for not having the podcast last week. Sorry, we had to run to LA.
Oh, yeah, real quick.
Real quick.
Little Hollywood flow.
Little Hollywood flow. Because we had the fucking flame the TCAs.
boy.
The TCAs. The Critics Association.
Guys, when you get up there, guys, it's going to be a little dry.
I'm sorry.
It's going to be a slow.
I'm sorry. Vice warned us and was like, yo, listen. You're going to go in the room.
Yeah.
They're not going to laugh at your jokes. They're going to be mean to you.
Yeah, they're going to ask you gotcha questions.
And the group before us, shout out to The Six. Not Toronto.
No.
A show called The Six is about like Team Seal 6 or something like that. You know, they did the little thing. They ended it with push-ups.
Push-ups.
Cute.
Yeah.
And the sound engineer backstage was like, oh, they did push-ups. How are you guys going to top that? I turned to him, wild cocky on some Kobe shit. I was like, we're going to be funny, nigga.
And what we do, went up there and bodied it.
We bodied that shit.
That's right.
They watched a sizzle reel, clips of our critically acclaimed now, highly rated show, Jesus Amaro on Viceland, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, 11 p.m., 11:30 if you're in Canada, and Sky TV, and Australia.
That's right.
Yeah, you know, on SBS down there.
New Zealand.
You know what I'm saying?
Holla.
New Zealand. Shout out to Bodega Hive. All over the world. Global takeover is in effect.
European massive.
We went to the TCAs, and we went up there. We flamed that shit, boy.
Flame that shit. Come on, man.
Nobody had niggas was laughing.
Yeah.
We had old white guys.
Yo, like, I don't know what
fucking
these
up our
guys
name.
are.
A guy tweeted my name wrong like 4 times.
Oh, yeah.
I fuck with it, though.
He's like, deuce,
Yes.
deuce, daddles, datus.
Deuce and Miro.
Yeah.
Shit was it. We got fireweed out there.
Yo, as usual. Shout out to Cali for having the most
Shout to
bamboozling weed in the world.
Ina, Shorty from
Yeah.
Norway came through. We
Shout
was
out to
out
you.
there. We was out. What was the name of that place? I don't know. We was chilling with Sam Cassell.
Yeah.
Watching the Seahawks get washed.
Oh, man. That was
Yeah.
a terrible washing.
Yeah, but you know, we ran out to Bodega High. Everywhere we go, we run into Bodega High.
Yeah.
Like we was in Cali and niggas drove by and honked their horn. and was like, yo,
son.
Jesus
They started
Amaro.
driving mad reckless, like swerving the road to dap niggas up. Yo, shit was crazy.
Yo, if you're a real fan, you will run over somebody to like
For sure.
shout at us.
For sure, 100%.
All right, allegedly.
Yeah.
You know, I'm not saying.
I'm
do
not
that.
saying do it, but you know what I'm saying if you do it, definitely do
I'm
it.
not trying to get our sponsors in trouble. Shout out to our sponsors, Red Bull Studios.
Red Bull Studios, goddamn yeah, brother. Horrific.
Shout out to
You know what I'm saying?
Narcan.
You know what I'm saying? Saving lives out here.
You know?
Save DMX. Gave us DMX for another
Fuck
at least 10
ISIS.
years. Fuck ISIS, get him out of here.
we out here.
Shred Ash.
Yeah.
Has ISIS done anything reckless lately? Or claimed to do anything
They
reckless
claim
lately?
to take the ISIS, the nightclub shooting.
Oh,
I mean, you know, anyone can take care of that. We could be like, yo, that was Bodega High.
Yeah.
Yo, the next terrorist event, I'm calling in the MSNBC. I'll be like, that was Bodega High.
That was Bodega. Reach him out and be like, fuck out of here.
That was Bodega Hive. Did it for the Hive.
Yo, that's fucking wild. Yo, the niggas are corny. Niggas just on the internet
ISIS
claiming
is
shit.
whack.
Like, yo, that's us.
That's us.
We did that. Niggas
I had,
photoshopping shit.
I had like a thought on the train because I'm Smack City. Smack City. The acoustic version.
Yeah.
And I was like, yo, what if like a nigga with an AK-47 ran up in like
I
Red
thought
Bull
the same
Studios
thing.
and was like, yo, tried to kill us.
so
First of
the
all, this door, you cannot get through this
Yo,
door.
this shit is like
There's like a
intake.
cockpit door.
Yeah.
Also, all right, you know my motto.
Yeah.
The one thing my father taught me in life, run up and get done up, all right?
You know what I'm saying?
So run up, ISIS, run up. We going to violate you, nigga.
Fam, listen.
We going to pee on you and put you on World Star.
Oh, my God.
It's going to be nasty.
Don't get me nervous. Like, I'll go cop a Draco.
It's the big blood. It's the big blood,
You know what I'm
boy.
saying?
You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
you better have that energy, nigga.
You know what I'm saying?
Have that same
You come up
energy.
to that window. Yeah, a lot of shit
man.
going on.
There's a lot of shit happening
The
in the world.
Nah
Oh, my
shit
God.
going on right now. Mr. Tangerine Man.
We're counter-programming tonight.
We are the counter-programming.
You know
A
what I'm
lot of
saying?
y'all waiting for this art. And
You know what I'm
here it
saying?
is.
Don't worry.
We're going to give you
Gotcha.
our hearts today.
You know what I mean? Because
You know what
this
I mean?
might be the last fucking show we're allowed to do.
Really? I put that in the email, and someone was like, yo, he was like, yo, what do you mean? Like, can you not do? I was like, no, like, Donald Trump might actually ban podcast.
Yeah.
Because think about it, like, he's about to push the press out of,
It?
he's like, he doesn't want the press in the
Yep.
White House.
Yep.
First of all, he's like, he doesn't want to go in the White House. The White House, some broke boy shit.
Wow.
Which I get. He has like a New York penthouse. Like, why you want to go like
Why you
DC?
wanna
Like,
see?
like, shout out to DC.
Shout out to DC.
Chilmo Kilmo.
All day, you already know. Those
One
capital.
day I'll probably grab all my phone pauses, come down there.
You know what I'm saying? Dance to the go-go right now. You can't see me, but I'm doing it.
You know what I'm saying? Start every day with a healthy a bowl of Ben's chili.
With some mumbo sauce on his side.
You know, just be chilling at Union Station.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I'm just out there.
You know what I mean?
Chilling at the Memorial for Forgotten Soldiers.
Oh, shit.
You know what I mean? But no, he's like, he's not going down there. He's going to stay in New York. Shit's
You
whack.
gotta be kidding me.
Shit's whack.
And now it's supposed to cost way more.
It's
and
gonna cost
yo,
so much too.
That New York City tax is gonna be wild high.
And you know what? People don't even think about. Like, Trump is about to be president.
Yep.
Like in a couple hours.
Yep.
So now, what happens if, like, say I go throw a grenade at a Trump hotel in fucking I don't know,
Botswana.
in Taiwan?
Yeah.
Is that an attack on a Trump property or is that an attack on America? Does he send troops
You
to
already
Taiwan?
know. You already know.
Is that what's going on?
You already know. He can't wait, bro. He thinks he's playing like Age of Empires and shit. Like
Oh
he
my
can't
God.
wait to be like,
He
yo.
think- he's playing mobile command on his phone.
Hell yeah.
He
He's
see
like,
that
yo.
shit with outer shots.
Oh, shit.
He's
What
like,
we gonna send
oh,
these
nah,
niggas?
nah. He's like, yo, bomb that shit.
Yo, fuck it, drone that shit.
Damn.
Yo, send 8,000 troops. He's watching them get murked on camera. Like, fuck it, make more.
You know what? I love it because
Yeah.
as Americans, you know, like, because my parents come from Jamaica, you know,
Yeah,
immigrant
I
kids,
know,
shout out
I know.
all the immigrants, shout out to everyone that floated here on the door.
You know what I mean?
Listen, the whole idea of America is very fragile.
Yo.
Like, people think America is going to be
Jenga.
around forever. And it's like, no, who told you that? Like, maybe in the 50s and shit, like, there was no way America crashed. Like, America is on, like, some shaky. America's relationship right now, like,
Fam.
the world found
Very shaky.
a open condom wrapper underneath the bed.
Uh,
And y'all don't use condoms. So I don't know what's gonna happen. People like we could be a second world country. Like he could undo everything America stands for in a week.
Terrible.
He could like ruin our relationship with NATO.
Yeah.
He could have like China like, yo, these niggas is wild buns.
Yeah. No, my thing is like, he's
I want to
definitely
get
gonna do.
some shit from China that says these niggas is wild buns.
Yeah, you already know. If there's like 5 things that are your worst nightmare that he would do, he's gonna do at least 3 of them.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Can't wait.
You already know.
We are the only people that profit from this because we have a nightly show.
You know what I'm saying?
So we talk about it.
Same.
People are like, are you going to run out of content? I'm like, this nigga is a content machine.
Oh, my
Trump
God.
is BuzzFeed. This nigga's printing that shit up for us,
And
dog.
it's so crazy because it's not even like political shit. Because niggas to get boring and talk policy
Mm-hmm.
and whatever. It's not even policy. Your man is out here like tweeting at niggas. It's nothing political at all. It's just your man being a wild hoe on the internet. Like, yo, fuck y'all.
Yo, how does the president tweet like a bottle waitress? How are you
I
subbing
wish y'all
niggas?
niggas would like.
I wish y'all niggas would pull up.
Everybody talking spicy on the timeline, but nobody want to throw the ad.
Fuck you, SNL.
Yeah.
I know you went to Dr. Miami. Oh, man.
Alec Baldwin, mad pussy. Never says my name. Always subbing me.
He don't even have good beefs.
Yo, he's a cornball. Imagine him fighting Alec Baldwin.
Alec Baldwin beat the shit out of him.
Yo.
Beat the shit out of him. A guy on
I
Twitter.
think it's sniffing 20 and rock his shit.
A guy on Facebook, he tweeted he was gonna kill Donald Trump, and he got arrested.
Oh, shit.
And like I looked at the replies, oh that shit was like free the homie, free the homie, free the homie. Listen, I'm not co-signing. I'm just saying freedom of speech.
You see that little white kid in the fucking rally that was like, screw the president. Niggas he burned the flag and they were like, why'd you burn that? He burned the Trump hat or some shit like that. He's like, why'd you
Oh,
burn that?
man.
He's like, because I just wanted to say, screw the president. I was like, damn.
Yo,
Shout out to
Obama-
you, Tyler.
I hope Obama smokes some loud and like the Oval Office smells like the wow. Like they come in like, yo,
What the fuck?
watch Trump gonna do some wild like horny like redneck shit. He gonna have like a hot plate in the Oval Office
You
and shit.
already know.
So gonna cook Vienna sausages
Dog,
with his
he's
shoes
shooting
off.
commercials in there. Mm-hmm. It's coming.
It's gonna
Like
be
he's gonna
mess.
be shooting hotel commercials in there.
He gonna have his
breaking all
socks on
types
the
of laws.
radiator.
You
Got the
already
whole
know.
office smelling like
Come
Cheetos.
on, come on. This nigga guy's in there with Ola's on with no drawers.
Like 3 cups of coffee with old coffee that he's not washing out and
You know what I'm
shit.
saying?
Knocking them off. He don't even fuck with computers.
ashing them and the shit.
He don't fuck with computers. We are fucked.
Wow.
Well, not me, because I'm gonna go to Jamaica. Like, listen, I've been plotting the coup. Antigua, you're next.
Yeah, he's gonna just island hop till he gets back to fucking
it.
Jamaica.
They're gonna be like, Jesus has amassed a large number of Caribbean countries. I'm just gonna come in there with a strong work ethic and blame everything on the gays. The gays and the stray dogs is why our economy is in the shambles.
He's just blowing it like, word.
Let's go.
Yeah,
Let's go.
Yeah.
Dog's gonna be like, yo, wait.
Yo.
I agree upon the gay part.
My youth, come on, man. I just eat cans out here, you know.
Look, I'm just hobbling around on 3 legs. I'm just making the best of it, my
Yo,
youth.
shout out to all the stray dogs in Jamaica and DR. You know what I'm saying? All the islands
Speaking of dogs,
out here getting hit by cars.
listen, I told you I had a bombshell.
Yep. Oh shit.
On Sunday morning, I found my dog dead next to me.
What?
Yeah,
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Are you fucking with me?
I'm not
You
fucking
fuck with me.
Not fucking with you.
Damn, that sucks.
Not fucking with you.
Damn.
Shout out to Rocco, man.
Damn.
But look at me.
R.I.P. my nigga.
4 episodes and a podcast.
Yo.
No breakdown.
My guy. Yo,
Listen.
props.
Listen,
Yo,
man,
no, fuck
it's
the-
real.
fuck the-
He had a no hugs, man. That shit's gay.
No, fuck that.
Ah,
My nigga, come on, that shit is real.
nah, but listen, he got me to the next level. All right, this hugging shit is
No,
bad.
no.
But I'm saying he got us. He knew because he knew we flamed the TCAs.
Yeah.
He knew I'm gonna be flying now. He was like, "Yo, I got you."
He's
to
like,
the
yo, I
end.
got
I'm
you,
out.
my nigga.
He went out in a blaze of glory.
Wow.
Shout out to
damn.
Rocco.
Yo, but he made, how old is he? Like,
10 years.
10, yeah.
No, he was 12 years old, but
12.
I had him for 10.
Yeah, see?
So,
You know what I'm saying? He lived a long life.
so if you have a pet, scratch their belly.
Yeah, give him
Give
a
them some
hug.
extra treats.
Damn,
Take them for a walk.
Yo, I'm gonna wash Brownie tonight. Mm-hmm. For the first time. In
Sorry
6
to get
months.
all dark Jesus. I'm actually proud of myself.
Yeah.
Like, nigga, we got content off this shit. Like,
Yo.
I thought I would be like a message. I was like, Sunday I was a mess.
Right.
And shit, but I'm here now.
But so you were with Rocco when he like passed?
Yeah. Like, he
so
was
that's-
sleeping.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
He's buried in my backyard, yo.
I did the same shit with my cat.
I buried him. And what's wild is like, I have floodlights in my backyard,
Yeah.
and for some reason they were not working.
So you were out there digging a hole in the dark?
No, I got like these shop lights, like that you work on a car with
Yeah.
and shit. So I have the shop light out there, and I'm like, I have on like a hoodie, a thermal, and a t-shirt, and I'm like digging this fucking hole, and like, you know, I'm drinking, I'm smacked, and I'm digging, I'm like focused. I'm like, yo, I gotta get my boy in the hole.
Yeah.
And then like I hear, yo, hey yo, and I look up, and it's the UPS guy. And that nigga's like, yo, I see you busy over there. I'm gonna just leave this package right here.
Yo, they said Curb Your Enthusiasm was coming back, but I don't know he was starring in it, my nigga. Like,
He was like, I was like, yo, I got something. He was like, nah, you good.
No, I ain't see shit. Nigga
was
turned
like,
around real fast. Like, no.
That nigga threw the box and ran.
Yo, shit. Oh my God. Yo, but that's real. You buried him in the backyard. You didn't. You didn't.
You
Fucking
know
just,
what?
like, throw
My
him in the
mother
garbage,
is
like,
fucked up over
hood
it.
boogers.
My mother is going through it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and she was like, please bury him. Because I was going to get him cremated. But my mother was like, yo, just bury him in the backyard. And in the text, she was like, so we'll always have him forever. My mother has never said any shit like that.
Wow.
So I'll be going down to Florida soon to make sure she's all right.
All right. Damn.
Yeah, my whole family. Shout out my family. I'm very supportive.
Shout out to
Sisters cried. My sister Antonia came through the house, makeup all smeared and shit. Crying, you know what I'm
man.
saying? That was like my kid.
Damn. Now my stomach hurts.
Yeah. But you know what the thing is? I felt like Bodega I have knows I have a dog.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
my thing. I have a dog tattooed on my thing.
Now
So
you
I
gotta
have
get
to tell
that.
ya.
You gotta throw the
Underneath
you know what
it,
I'm saying?
I gotta throw the date on it. I
Yeah.
gotta update it. Yeah.
Yeah.
But shout out to Rocco. He
Shout
got
out
us
to Rocco.
through.
Nigga
He got
held
us
it
through
down.
Jesus versus Miro.
That was the guy.
He got us through Guy Code. He got us through Joking Off. He got
Damn,
us
nigga said
through
Guy Code.
Uncommon Sense.
I'm gonna go home and hug Brownie.
There you go. I'm sorry, y'all. I know y'all listening to this for like.
I was thinking about y'all because it's crazy because
like.
like, no, it's good. It's cathartic. You know what I'm saying? Like
Yeah.
you feel our pain. Like fucking. I never really had a wild attachment to a pet. I had a cat that was like I inherited from an ex-girlfriend.
Yeah.
Who was wild old.
Uh-huh.
And same thing happened. Like I woke up one morning to go to work and homie was just laying in the thing. And I'm like, yo, you know what I mean? Like touching him, I'm like, damn, this
Yeah.
nigga's stiff.
Yeah.
And then went outside, scoop, buried him in there, and then I felt away like, damn. And I remember like all those times, like it was just me dolo because my brother went away to school, my sister was up at school, you know what I'm saying, and it was just me, and I would just talk to the cat, like, yo, my nigga, damn, yo, fuck, or whatever happened, like, yo, this girl's doing me dirty, like, and I'm talking to the cat, like,
Yeah.
yo,
No, that dog knows all my secrets and shit.
crazy.
It's wild because now I smoke like by where he's buried and talk to him, and I know my neighbor's like, yo, he lost.
What's fucking wrong with this guy?
He lost his mind.
He's crazy.
He lost his mind. He's bad mind.
He's
No,
talking
like,
to the
fuck
fucking
y'all.
dog.
I'm like, fuck y'all, talk to my dead dog.
Are you gonna get a new dog? Is that, you
No,
that type of person?
You know what? I looked because I didn't have to get another Boston Terrier because that's my
Yeah.
favorite breed. And I looked online. Yo, there's some fucked up dogs out there.
Yeah?
All these dogs like, yeah, he can't be around kids. He bites them. Can't be around cats. He bites them. Like Rocco was mad chill. Like I remember I had a New Year's party and I just let him off the leash and like mad niggas got selfies with him because he was like mad chill. Like he would just jump in your lap and shit. But no, I would never get another dog because it's I don't want to ever go through the pain.
Shit, nigga, boom.
Yeah, that shit is like, nah. That shit,
saying?
no, not doing that again. So now I have to get a family.
That's what it is. Like
So ladies, line up.
dogs. That's the thing with dogs. It's like, yo, I got you, and I never thought of this. When you get your dog, you're like, yo, you're gonna die. I'm
Yeah.
gonna live through you dying. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You're supposed to.
So
you know,
hopefully,
anyway. You know what I'm
unless you
saying?
live in the Bronx, like, you can catch a quick spray. It's like your dog is like,
Oh shit! You might get smoked while you walking your dog. Like, yo,
that's got to be the saddest shit.
ah.
Because like if you die with like your dog's leash in a death grip,
And he's just sitting there
and
like,
he's trying to get out of there, like, yo,
Joe, my nigga, I'm not trying to get shot out here.
sir,
Like, yo,
you got no types of ragu on your head.
fuck you mean is he did? You got all types of
He's like
shit.
doing that paw shit, like, yo,
Yo,
wake up, sir.
Yo, Mufasa.
Hey, wake up, dad.
Yo,
Damn.
oh damn, that's
Now it's a dark podcast.
That was dark, you know what I'm saying?
'Cause
But yeah, fuck it.
everything is finite.
Everything is finite. Yo, that's
Everything is
so
finite. That's why you have to appreciate life. That's what makes life worth the value of it. Because it's finite, because it's rare. You only have it for a little while. Don't waste it. So if you're listening to this and you're smoking weed, get up and call University of Phoenix.
You just sit on the couch not doing nothing.
If I did it, you can do it too. Also, get your kids back.
Shout out to University of Phoenix. They got a commercial that is have you seen this shit? It's the wildest shit. It's this dude. It shows like a guy, like a Mexican, like migrant worker type dude.
Yeah, yeah.
Like working, like banging a hammer, doing shit like mad dirty, whatever. But like boom, like in between, you know what I'm saying, working, he's shit, come to tall boy. In between working, he's like on the like fucking around and looking at books and doing whatever. They fast forward, and then your man is a doctor in an ER, like he's like the head nurse or some shit like that. He's like, yo, and then it's like University of Phoenix.
Whoa.
Rise up.
They gotta tell you, like, if you go into surgery, if the nigga went to the University of Phoenix, like, don't open my stomach if all you've watched is YouTube videos. You wake up and like, hold on. Let me see your degree.
Yo, why am I shitting on my dick?
This nigga like, this was the last thing you hear before you go under is like, the nigga like, yo, this is what a scalpel looks like in real life?
Oh shit.
Like, you like,
No.
he's like, yo.
You wake up with your belly button on your back and shit.
He's like, where's the stomach? You're like,
Oh god.
oh, man.
Yo.
Oh, Lord.
Damn, man, niggas is wild.
Donald Trump is gonna run in here and pop us both in the back of the head.
Yo, imagine on some John McClane shit.
That'd be cool though.
That's an ill way to go out.
There's no reason to live anymore.
Dark
Jesus.
Yo, damn, Dark Jesus. Damn.
Dark Jesus.
Donald Trump is such. Rocco didn't want to live through a Donald Trump presidency. Man. He didn't want
Wow, I didn't. Yo,
to. He was like, "Yo,
that's
it's quiet
deep.
for all you niggas." Like, I'm.
He
outta
was
here.
a Boston
I'm
Terrier
going
from
to the
Boston.
better-
He
I'm
was
going to a better
clearly a
place.
liberal. So he was a libertard.
He's ready to live to.
I think he was a Bernie bro. I take him for a walk and he'd be like, "What about her emails?" I'm like, "Not now. This
on.
fake news, Rocco."
It's like this.
He's like, "I just say investigate Pizzagate." I'm like, "Okay,
Stop
how are
spreading
you?
lies.
How do you have access to the MacBook?"
Yo, I mean, have you read the Podesta emails? I mean, really, come on.
She's molesting kids. I'm like, Rocco, just take a shit over there. What are you doing?
Yeah, it's
Oh,
fucking
man.
cold out here. Oh man.
Shout out to any sweet tings them that ever took a picture with Rocco. I was gonna do a pic stitch on Instagram of every chick that I've ever been with that took a picture. Because every girl I've like, if you were in my life for real, like you took a picture with Rocco on your shoulder, every girl treated him like a baby. So I wanted to do like a pic stitch of that, and I was like, wow, that is the worst idea.
That is the
anyone
messiest
has-
thing you could ever
no
do
one
on
has
social
ever, Why would you do that? What's wrong with you? Are you high?
Yeah, that is extremely messy.
Yes.
But maybe they would all come together, you know what I'm saying?
No.
In unison.
No,
Like, yo.
because then people would start doing like checking dates and shit. I'd be like, wait a minute,
Hold on, wait a minute.
you took this on September 34th. No,
Yeah.
not 34th. Sorry, September 3rd. I took this on September 4th.
Yo, when you said, because speaking of girls, when you said, like, yo, I got a bombshell, I was like, damn, this nigga got some bitch pregnant.
Yeah, I saw your face. No one pregnant yet.
Yeah.
Yet, but 2017 is gonna be a long year.
Jesus, baby.
And you know what else is long? My DAC.
Oh, shit.
Ah!
Ah!
It's not really, but it's shaped like a cone. Like a traffic cone. It's not either.
Yo, imagine.
It's like a big mushroom.
Yo.
It's like board 3 in Super Mario Brothers 3. The Mushroom Kingdom.
Yeah. Imagine you
Hop
put your
on there
joint
like
out.
Toad.
She was just mad weird shaped. Ladies, how would you respond to that?
Call in.
Tell us in the comments.
What's the phone number?
1-800-223-9797. Holla.
For E, bro.
Yo, there was an avalanche in Italy. I just see it on my phone. That's crazy.
Do you get alerts for Italy? Are you going to Italy?
I'm going to try to go to Napoli.
What are you, a cop? Why are you
Yo,
checking
what
out
am I
Italy?
doing?
Speaking of cop, free the homie tax stone.
Yo, free
and
tax.
that's all we're saying on that.
Yeah, I'm dying to talk about open situations.
All I'm saying is they arrested him on MLK Day to send a message to blacks that anyone could get it.
Word.
That shit's whack.
That's fucking corny. I could have waited a day.
Also, they said someone snitched. All right.
Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun.
All right. I mean, you gotta have a code.
Yo, it's the G code.
It's a G code.
You gotta live by it.
You know what I'm saying? Do we still have to live by the G code? We're Hollywood niggas now, right?
Yeah, remember Charlamagne was like, "Yo, I'm a civilian now. Like, I'm not like
Yeah.
I don't do none of that shit."
Nah,
I'm like,
I mean,
I'm like, we're still in the hood. Like,
We
you
still in
gotta,
the hood, yeah.
As long as you're in the hood, you gotta live by G code.
I don't know anything other than that though. So that's the thing. Like,
You know what I mean?
I can't. I haven't switched over to Hollywood enough to be
To
like,
be,
yo.
yeah, to abandon the G code.
Cause people are like, yo, how could you like ride for Taxstone and shit and like know he's a terrible person?
I'm like, dog.
And
We
I'm
all
like-
know terrible people.
We all know. Listen,
Like-
God's working on all of us.
Exactly.
God's working on all of us. I'm gonna be his lawyer. Be like, God's
No.
working on all of us. We're all riding our own horses.
Excuse me. What the fuck does that even mean?
God is working on all of us.
That's not a credible defense. This nigga's going to jail.
All right.
Nah, chill.
So I tried my best.
Sorry.
I take off my CVS glasses. Like, yo, sorry.
Yo, damn, dog.
Nah. It's not a laughing matter. Yeah, fuck it. You know, it's not our power. That's the thing. People are like, you can't laugh at some shit. Some shit's not in your power.
you can't.
You can laugh at it. You can cry at it. Like,
Don't matter what you do.
It don't matter. It doesn't matter.
do not
Everything is
matter.
finite.
Everything's
Everything is
finite.
finite. We're all
true.
just trying to ride our own horse. Enjoy your life.
Yeah.
Because life is short.
Life is short. You might get hit by with an avalanche.
You might fall. You might be texting and get hit by a train.
True.
It happened. It happened to a person we know.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? So don't do that.
You know what I'm saying? You might be
keep it-
two-stepping at Salsa con Fuego. You twist your ankle. You
to
get a
Salsa
blood
con
clot and
Fuego.
die.
Yo, imagine. Damn, that's such a corny ass way to go, B.
And the last song you heard was fucking Little Mo Superwoman.
Oh, no. Damn.
Is that what you want? Is that how you want to go out? You're going to be on Bronx 12. They're going to talk about you. You was the good person. You're always respectful. You were polite. You said hello.
Yup,
You passed
nice
over the
side.
day. Nice
Like, I'm
side.
Jessica Cunningham.
Yeah.
Today, this nigga broke his ankle and got a blood clot, and he died. The last song he heard was Juvia, Juvia, Juvia.
He was a good guy. Like, I would see him, he would walk. You know what? He always had a plastic bag. He always picked up his dog shit. You know, I respected him for that. Like, you know, sometimes I see him in his car choking hookers, but he was always good, nice in the morning. Did you have the Facebook poll like, are you still a good person if you choke hookers? Yes.
Yes.
No.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Man, 85%, I don't know.
The 85% is the dumb, deaf, and blind.
saying?
Stay woke, niggas.
You know what I mean?
All right.
Shout out to homie that, yo, they always ask the dope feed. You know what I'm saying?
Dope fiends are always available
Yo,
for
commentary on the
in the news.
All day.
So
Like,
that dope fiends keep the news popping in the Bronx.
hell yeah. Shout out to homie that they was asking, like, what do you think about the inauguration and Trump presidency, blah, blah, blah. Nigga grabbed the mic, said, that wasn't inauguration, it's thievery. And just walked off. I was like, wow, my son had 1.5 teeth
Listen,
out here doing it.
sometimes you gotta trade your teeth for the crack.
That's true.
Teeth,
For the
you know
highs.
what? If you're trying to get high, teeth is like not that's necessarily.
They're not necessarily.
It just gets in the way of the pipe.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
What do you eat after that? Just straight hummus?
You're not
Jell-O?
you
You're not
don't
really
got-
concerned
if
about
you
food.
If you smoking krills, you're not getting hummus.
Yo, have you ever seen this documentary? I think it was called like Slippin' or some shit like that. And it was about gang dudes in LA. And there was a dude named Jumbo who drove a limo and sold krills. But this shit was like early 90s. And it was like when niggas, and they showed this dude, this crackhead dude, smash a car window, dive into the window, rip the radio out, and come out in like one motion. Like, I was like, yo,
Nah, I never seen that.
crack was ill.
Crack was popping.
Crack was popping.
People used to steal people's car antennas and
Yeah,
use it to
for
smoke
krills,
crack. Like,
yeah.
how mad would you be? Like, you wake up,
Yeah.
it's like the 80s or the 90s or whatever. I guess you go in the Jerry Curl company. And you got no antenna and shit.
Yeah.
Oh,
Shout out to
shit.
grills. Shit real hood.
I remember as a kid, one time we was coming from, like, my mother, you know, trying to keep us cultured. We went to some museum in the Bronx. And the museum, there was like prostitutes around the corner from the museum. And my father was like, I'm looking for a space. And he kept circling the block. And my mother was like, you circled enough. Because there was like the wild prostitute. It was like, it had to be like 1 p.m.
Yeah, there was out
Remember,
there.
but remember, the Bronx was wild.
Yeah, nigga. Yeah, I remember going to fucking drop off like some air conditioners at like some recycled like shit where you get drop off metal with my pops and like his homeboy, and like niggas are driving through Hunts Point. It's like noon, and the joints is out.
Yeah.
I was like, wow.
Yeah.
Homies leaning out the window whistling at them and shit. I'm like 10, like, yo, this shit is wild.
That's like, what was it? I think it was called Nels on 14th Street or some shit like that. That was the club. And I used to be on the street team. And I used to give out like CDs and stickers and shit. And over there in the meatpacking district was all like the transsexual prostitutes and shit. And I've been giving them stickers and shit. I'm like, yo, this is the Black Rob's album.
Yo, listen to yo,
That
Black
we
Rob.
having like the wild, deep conversation on the garbage can and shit. Like,
Yo.
I'm like, yo, how's your life and shit? And, like,
Yo, it's good, but Black Rock's album
and then
was
like
alright.
gentrification came and pushed all that shit out.
Good.
So
Good.
that
Now
New York
condo
is
costs $1
gone,
million.
and that's what people say. People are like, they listen to this podcast, they watch the show because we are like remnants of the old New York. We're the real shit. We're the blue cop cars.
That's right.
We give you that real shit.
The paper transfers.
Oh wow, wow, whoa,
Yeah.
whoa, son, where'd you get that?
Damn, son.
Yeah,
I was taking
remember
the bus as a
remember
fucking
tokens?
youngin', yeah.
You could use tokens.
I
as
remember
money.
when they deaded tokens, niggas was tight, bruh. Like niggas was trying to take rides for no reason. Like, yo, let's take the train one stop.
I'm so woke. When they switched over to Metro cards, like I was on the internet and I used to like tweet. I used to blog for a rap review website or some shit. And I think the owner died in a fire or whatever. I don't know.
Damn.
But Dark Deez's old episode.
Shit.
But I did this whole thing about how like the Metro card was Illuminati. And the government's gonna track us by it.
Yeah.
Because I was so woke.
Woke, Hotepian. Yo,
Hotepian.
fucking,
Here comes the Hotep, murderer. Don't give me no fluoride, murderer. It makes your kids gay.
yeah, yo, fucking, damn. The first shit was blue. I remember that. I remember when they first gave us some shit to
switched
school. I
from
was
blue.
like, yo.
What was that for? You know, low key, they switched the blue Metro cards to the yellow Metro cards because you know what? Stay woke with me. I'm using my third eye. Put on some music.
Open it. Teach these devils. Teach these devils. Teach these devils. Teach them.
Because the blue represents dark skin,
Yeah.
and they were like, no, light skin is better.
Teach these evil Yakuts.
Okay, they're trying to integrate the idea that light skin,
Preach.
aka the mix of black
Teach.
and white, is better
Teach
than
these
the
devils.
original Asiatic black man.
Teach these white
All right,
devils.
you gotta get yourself a black woman who's black like a Technique 1200. You know what I'm saying? If your queen is not the color of a Gemini mixer, are you really down for the cause?
Yeah.
Shout out to Gemini.
Shut the Gemini.
Shout out to the BD10, the first turntable I bought.
Yeah.
I had to run down Fordham Road with it so niggas
shit.
didn't steal it.
Shout
You
out-
had to put a quarter on the actual needle so you could scratch with it. And that's how I taught myself to scratch. Because my
throwback.
father was like, stop fucking using my turntable.
Stop fucking on my records.
He's like, are you scratching? Well, he's like, what you doing with my needle? I was like, nah, nigga.
Yo, nigga,
I'm like, it's hip
hip-hop.
hop, nigga.
Hip hop, hip hop.
It's hip hop.
I'm like, yo,
I'm like, Dad, what are you doing? I'm trying to respect the 5 pillars.
yo,
Graffiti, breakdancing,
you know what I'm
turntablism,
saying? Karis One's nose.
lyricism, and carrots from his nose. And apparently Africa been about to touching kids.
Yo,
Allegedly.
allegedly. I mean,
But not allegedly.
why did that shit just die down? Like, nigga, stop
No
talking
one
about
cares.
that.
You know what?
Like,
It's the-
is it because he's washed?
He's washed, and it's the mix of the Bronx and Wash.
Yeah.
The Bronx is the most washed borough. We live in the Bronx. We love the Bronx, but
love it.
no one else is checking for the Bronx.
That's
When
true.
you go, when
But that's good,
Gothamists, when they do like articles about where to live in the Bronx,
Whoa.
stuff to do in the Bronx, that shit cuts off at like 125th Street. You don't get no stats and shit. You're not getting the shit for Valentine Ave,
No way.
for Hoe Avenue,
Get the fuck outta
for
here.
fucking Laconia.
Nah.
No.
Niggas
We're
be
out
like,
there
yo,
on our own.
Decatur. Nah, niggas,
No.
niggas ain't going to Decatur.
They don't care about
niggas
us.
ain't going to fucking. Niggas ain't going to Creston.
Okay, and I mean, I don't want to big up my borough, but I just want to say East Tremont is paramount to the Arc de Triomphe
That's true.
in Paris.
That's true.
There's no difference between the two.
That's true. You know what? Factoid.
Factoid.
You know what I'm saying? The
Mirror's factoid. Mirror's factoid. He's not factoid because he got the factoid. Factoid. This show is educational and instructional.
You know what I'm saying? The Grand Concourse is actually modeled after I think it is the Champs Elysees
Yes, it is.
in France.
Yes, it is.
You know what I'm saying? Oh, shit, we out here, nigga. And I did the accent. Holla.
I will put $50,000 on this kid.
You know what I'm saying?
All right, my man got facts on
Yeah,
deck.
yo, fuck with me, nigga.
All right.
Spelling bee champ, nigga, 1st through 5th grade. Holla.
Look at that. Look at that. Look where he went. All right. Raise your kids.
know
Give
what I'm
minority kids the
Chance.
intuition. Shout out to Miss Galucci. Shout out to Miss Oshold. Shout out to not Miss Gersh, you fucking bitch.
Yeah, fuck Miss Gersh. Then you go on Facebook and the bitch is dead and shit. You feel
She
mad
is
bad.
dead.
Like,
She
damn,
died.
damn, Miss Gersh.
She was the worst person ever. But Miss Galucci, she pulled me to Miss Oshold pulled me to the side and she was like, "You are too smart for the regular world and your life is gonna be hard for that."
Yo.
She was like, "You are going to be funny in life, and I don't know what that means, but keep your spirit up."
Wow.
Shout out to her. She's on Facebook. I was gonna hit her up
Yeah.
and be like, "Can I smash?"
Yeah. It's full circle.
I was like, "Yo, you want me to go? You want an episode of Blacked?"
Yo. You go in caso cerrado.
Right.
Just like, yo, I know fucking baby, I smashed my teacher.
Yo, shout out to whatever hater dickhead out there made Jesus hates black women
Oh shit.
on
Yeah.
Instagram.
Yo. I'm like, yo, I see that shit and I'm like, yo, this can't be this is somebody's
So
already doing
imagine
this.
I'm looking at that shit and like they're like, ha ha ha, and I'm like, oh, my dog just died. Like I'm mad at my feelings and shit. I'm like, nah, niggas is slandering me. But you see, I'm strong.
Yeah, nah, and that's
I'm
bullshit. Too,
strong.
man. It's a joke.
You see me? I'm a strong guy.
Come on, you know this nigga be at Makosa, nigga. He be at Afro Punk. Stop fronting.
Nigga, I got a co-sign from D-Ray.
You know what I'm saying?
I hug Crystal.
You stupid?
You know what I'm saying?
Fuck outta here.
I told y'all niggas.
This nigga's blacker than black, and he's black,
black y'all, and
You know
I'm
what
black
saying?
y'all. Okay, don't get it twisted.
You don't, it never won't matter. You be out here carousing, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I mean,
Out here doing your thing.
I don't see color.
That's it.
I don't care if you're yellow, green, purple.
Or red or yellow with polka dots on your
Yeah.
head. I don't know what the fuck that's from. Why that came into my brain.
You know, I don't know. That
Saturday
sounds like
morning
that
cartoons.
sounds like a real thing.
Yeah, it is.
That sounds like a real thing.
Google it. Can Google get so advanced where you just say like, you just think of something randomly?
Google knows everything people do not want to know about you.
Tell me,
Think about this.
Yeah.
You have Google search shit
Yeah,
that you would not be comfortable asking another person.
absolutely.
And Google has all that shit tracked to you.
Oh yeah, we all have.
If Google
it's wild.
wanted to be like, yo, Miro, hey,
Yeah.
yo, my nigga,
Yeah.
here's a printout of your last
10
20
yeah.
Google searches.
Yeah.
Like
We
how much money before I show this to your wife? Okay,
I'm
how about
like,
this one right here? Like, yo, is the girl from Big Sloppy Wet Butts 48 retired? Is that really? Is that what you want on Front Street?
Yo, listen, Smack City right
These
now.
bumps on my dick.
Where do they go?
Are they razor bumps or dot?
ingrown hairs? Or, yo, as a computer nigga, how long
computer
do you think before computers are too advanced and they like overtake humanity?
That's never gonna happen.
Is that gonna happen?
Never
Are we
gonna
gonna
happen.
keep AI in the wraps?
You know what it is? Because the whole idea of computers taking over is like computers have to be smarter than humans.
Yeah.
The one thing humans have over computers, and if I could get on my first year in college religion major
Talk
or
to 'em.
shit, is free choice.
Free will, yeah.
Free will.
Yeah.
Humans are unpredictable. Computers can predict what logically would happen.
Right.
Humans just do what the fuck we want.
But
And
not
that's the
logic,
problem
yeah.
with driving cars. It's just like a driving car, an automated car would have to be like, yo, what if you're in a car and it's an automated car from Google and it's just like, yo, my choice is run over someone crossing in the crosswalk or slam into a fucking divider here and probably kill everyone in the car. So now the automated car is like, yo, what do I do? Who has priority here?
I'm murking this one dude.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
See, like shit like that. Computers will never
Shit
be
calculates
able.
mad fast, like who has more money? Like,
There you go. Like humans are unpredictable, and that's the shit. Free will.
unpredictable.
The whole idea of free will is kind of stupid though, because it's like the wild like dick suck for God.
Yeah.
Because it's just like, yo, God is not great enough for people to be like, yo, I love you. Like people have to like freely choose it.
Yeah.
But that's because humans wrote the Bible and that's true. It's all made up.
Oh my God, my fucking brain is like inside out
Let me
right
tell
now.
you something.
Yo.
Humans had to make God. Think about it. Like we could not exist without like some greater being, some sense of purpose. You know what I'm saying? A reason to be here.
Right.
Without that, like why would we get up every morning? Think about like early humans and shit. Every day the sun went down and they were like, yo,
It might not come back up.
yo, my nigga,
What happened?
what happens to the basketball?
Yo,
why is it dark?
what happened to the hot circle?
Oh shit. Why's
The
it
hot
cold?
circle went away.
Yo,
Fuck.
what'd you do?
Yo, my nigga.
You know what it is? Because your wife has blood coming out her pum pum.
That's why the hot circle?
Yeah, kill her.
Oh man, damn, I don't really want to kill her. She's cool.
No. You got to kill her by
fuck.
like 1 p.m. tomorrow.
Yeah?
And then the sun just comes up and you're like, I'm like,
Oh,
I'm like,
shit.
yo. So, I was wilding.
Yo, nigga, you almost made me kill fucking my shorty, nigga.
Not for nothing.
Because of the hot
like,
circle. Nigga, what the fuck?
Not for nothing. I just invented the wheel. I'm under pressure. You know what I mean?
I feel you.
I'm sorry.
Yo, I got an L. You want to go for a ride?
Let's go.
On the wheel?
Let's rock. Yo, let's go rock. Let's go look at some Brontosaurus.
Niggas get mad smacked to go on one wheel. Like, yo, pass me the L, my nigga, come on.
Nigga, Clarence, you still working on that wheel? My nigga, what?
Oh my God, bro.
I'm trying to invent transportation
Come
over
on,
here.
what the fuck?
You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to work on human
My
civilization.
nigga, you over here stay with the fucking dickhead wheel. Like, are you
Yo.
fucking kidding me with this fucking wheel? Every day, yeah, I'ma do a wheel, I'ma do. Nigga, you need to go out there and kill an antelope.
Yo, not for nothing. You was the wild hater, and I was like, I'm gonna invent fire. I invented fire.
Wow.
Okay.
My nigga.
Was you not enjoying the fire last night?
Let me
though?
tell you something.
All right, I've got you out here.
Let me tell you something.
I got you in saber-tooth tiger furs.
No.
You know what I'm saying? I got you in the fucking.
First of all, them shits is from Marshalls. Not
Okay.
valid. First of all, I didn't want to break your heart and tell you that.
I killed a raptor
but let
for
me tell,
you.
No, let me tell you something.
I got you,
You
a
made
dove
fire,
as a maxi pad.
but this pussy is fire, my nigga. And that's what's motivating this whole shit. Stop with the fucking wheel. Go kill an antelope.
Also, you need to shave your pussy because I know there's no razor blades. Why
This
that
nigga's
shit
so
look like?
disrespectful.
Why that shit look like
This
a woolly
nigga, why you
mammoth?
gonna disrespect me?
Okay,
Why you gonna disrespect my agency like that?
look at Betty Flintstone over there.
Fuck Betty Flintstone, nigga. She went to DR. She got her income tax. Shout out to all the shorties getting their income tax back and flying to
Can't
you know what
wait.
I'm saying, South America, DR. We
Their
know.
whole Instagram changes.
You know what I'm saying?
Their tone changes.
Yeah.
You know what
You know
I'm
what I'm saying?
saying?
It's a lot more selfies.
It's a lot more empowered.
Yeah.
And shit like,
You know
yo,
what I'm saying?
you know,
Shout out to
not
you, though.
looking at you because you in my past.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? Now, fuck that.
Shout out to you. What?
Fuck that. Listen,
Yo, get out
listen,
you live.
Ma, I've been on your page since fucking 2014. I know the real you.
Yo, shout out. Yo, you know, well, not shout out because this is some wild Creepazoid shit. Or explain to me how it's not some Creepazoid shit. The fucking feature on Instagram now where you could save some shit to look at later, but it's like nobody knows that you saved it. You know what I'm talking about?
Like a video?
Like, what is it? Bookmark. Yeah,
Bookmark
you
your
could
word?
bookmark Instagram, other people's Instagram posts, and they don't know that you did it.
Oh,
But
wow.
it saves it to the side, like, and makes a collection of shit that you've bookmarked.
Wow.
Wild Creepazoidal.
Nah, I used to screenshot shit and like chicks would see it and be like, yo, you screenshot my shit? I don't do that anymore. That shit's corny.
Yeah,
But
it's like, yo, they gonna keep coming.
yeah, they're right there.
Hey.
That's you do that when you know like a chick is kind of flaky and she's gonna lock you out her account at some point. You're like, fuck that. I got your account anyway. I don't need your shit.
Fuck that.
That's usually like where she like posts her shit with her man or some shit, and you're like, what? Off that.
Off that.
Off that. Whoa. You know, we have some gifts for our parting guests. Here's a bevel razor.
You snatch your chain back like you
Out of
shit,
here.
bro.
Fuck that.
Out of here.
Broke up our Instagram relationship. I was looking at your photos, Ma. You think those hearts are free? You think those favorites are real?
I put my heart into those hearts.
You know what I'm saying? I had to like your photo before I had to like this other girl's photo. And I had to explain that. But I just wanted you to know I liked it. You could be just like liking a photo,
So
liking
much
a girl's
politics.
photo for like a year and she has no idea who you are.
So much politics.
And you know what I'm saying? And you created this whole relationship
Yeah.
with her in your head. You think she's subbing you and she has no idea who you are and shit.
idea.
No idea.
She got 800,000 followers.
Exactly. If a girl has if she has over 10,000 followers, don't bother following her.
She, come on, she's
You,
not gonna.
listen, you just peeing in the ocean at
Yeah.
that point. You're not making no significant damage out there. She's not gonna see that shit.
Not at all.
You know what I'm saying?
Like-
You run up there with your fave and you throw it at her,
Yeah.
and she'll only see it because PP Man 445
That's it.
comes up right after.
She don't even see it.
She don't even see it.
She loads her shit and then just goes. Brrrr, and it's like 80,000 things, and she just looks at the top.
Listen.
You might get lucky, but
Listen.
probably not.
It's just a favorite bukkake.
You know what I'm saying?
You want to be in that
That's
shit?
it. You want to be in there?
That's the name of the show. Favorite bukkake.
Favorite Bugatti. Yo, come on, son. Yo,
And what I love about Instagram, because Instagram is the wild thought, and they just want to create drama.
Hell yeah.
They let you see who you follow,
Yeah.
also like the photo.
Yeah.
So it's like, yo, is your boy supposed to be liking the photo of your girl?
Uh-huh.
Really, nigga?
Yeah.
Really? Also, it shows significant, like if your other followers comment in your comments,
It shows like the most. Yeah,
it shows there.
if somebody's verified.
Like
or whatever,
even if
yeah.
it's 96, it's like, yo, Charlemagne said this, you
Yep.
asshole.
Yep.
And you'd be like, yo, you seen that?
Yep, I peeped that and I was like, "Why is it?" And I was like, "Wait a minute, this is doing this." You know
See?
what I mean? Like when you don't notice something, like you
Instagram's
think
so
it's coincidence.
messy. Instagram is
super
so
messy, super
so
messy. And then the
messy.
fucking what you see, what
So
other people
mixy.
liked, which has been there for the longest, but
Yeah.
that's just another messy feature. Shout out to Instagram be a wild messy.
But it's good because you can see the snakes and the rats in your
That's right.
crew.
I'm
Niggas
saying?
liking your girl's photo.
Liking your girl's photos and shit.
Who does that?
You know what I'm saying?
Who does that?
Fucking.
If I like Heather's photo, like I'm very careful on Facebook. I never like a photo of just Heather. I
Yeah, they
always like
don't-
a photo of like her with the kids. And shit. You know what I'm saying?
That's what I'm saying.
I respect
like,
it.
Yeah, I feel like I've never posted a photo just other for this.
No, your
for
wife
that
is on Facebook heavy, nigga.
Oh, yeah.
But she's white.
Yeah.
That's what they do.
That's that's what they live on. Like Facebook is for moms. You know what
Yeah.
I'm saying? Because they go up there like, yo, here's my kids.
Do you
like,
know
we
what
went to
your
this.
wife does? She starts a album at the beginning of every month
Yeah.
and just keeps updating this
Yep.
shit. And I appreciate that.
Yeah, and it's like, yo, this is what, like, you can really see what Adrian's doing, like, throughout
Yeah.
the course of the month. Like,
Yeah.
yo, this he got a
Shout
test,
out
he got
to
100.
him. He got a test. He got 100.
Ah,
And shout out
shit.
to him because he wrote the P's backwards,
Yeah.
and the teacher still gave him credit.
Still
for
gave him
that.
credit.
Listen, I'm the uncle. I'm
You know what I'm saying?
watching
Uncle
my little Dominican, right?
Uncle Jesus.
Yo, listen.
And yo,
How do you say that? My favorite person in Dominican? That you say my favorite person in Spanish is what?
De lo mío.
Yeah, go.
De lo mío.
De lo mío. De lo mío.
Ah, shit. Get credit to bodega. You already know. Yo, but nah, like it's. But you know it's crazy because of that. The shit was backwards, and I was like, "Damn!" I got mad nervous. Like, yo, this nigga have dyslexia. Because automatic as a parent.
Nah,
but Shorty's like, it's mad normal. Yeah, it's like for that age, it's totally normal.
I had to get extra because I switched from religion to computers to English when I was in college. At like my last semester, I like scrounged for fucking credits, and I ended up taking childhood development as a course.
Oh shit!
And like that's very normal.
Very
for
normal.
kids.
Yeah.
I have no idea what I was doing in that class. I did very well. Also, the teacher taught us using 1984. George Orwell. It's like shout out to her.
Shout out to her.
That shit was like,
yo,
listen. Shout out to teachers, man.
Shout out to fucking professors, teachers out there. You know what I'm saying? Getting creative.
Like they should get a lot more money than they're getting right now.
Yeah, I feel like
people are like, hey, they should get what sports athletes are getting. I'm like, no, like,
not that. Don't go crazy. Don't go crazy.
Slow down there.
Take it easy.
Give
Baby
them
steps.
$50,000.
Yeah.
They'll be all right.
You know what I'm saying?
There was actually a proposal, and it got deaded. Governor's Island in New York City, that island right there, they were going to build subsidized housing, and the only way you could live there is if you were a teacher, a cop, or a firefighter. Isn't that a great idea?
Yeah.
That'd be great, but
subsidized housing for city employees.
They deaded it.
Damn.
Bloomberg is an asshole and he's rich. He's like,
Yo,
fuck
because
you.
honestly, if you work for the city, you can't live in Manhattan.
You can't.
Like you can't if you're single, a single person living in Manhattan, and you work for the city, you are not surviving. You know what I'm saying? Unless you got like fucking 15 years on the job type shit. You know what I mean? Which is crazy because it's like, yo, if I work for the city, why can't I live in the city?
Because you're poor. Get the
Fucking
poor out of here.
Get out of here, you pores.
Get out of here, poor. Listen.
Man,
Every now and then we do poor shit. I just took the train.
Hey, listen,
The other day on the way back from LA, I had to sit in economy. Ugh, God.
Yo, but honestly, can we keep it 100? Like that shit is awful. Like even if like that, not even some diva shit. Like this shit is terrible, B.
Well, American Airlines just did their new the lowest tier right now. You fly, no carry-ons, and you have no access to the overhead bins. Nigga, you are flying on Rikers Island.
Yo, that's jail. That's like Spirit Airlines first class.
Then you have to boof your fucking carry-on luggage and shit, put it in your butthole, put it in your man purse.
Yo, it's some nigga yesterday on Twitter posted a Spirit Airlines receipt. Like, yo, y'all niggas is not creative taking y'all shorties out to eat. I just bought 2 plane tickets to Puerto Rico for $90. I was like, all right, that's cool, nigga, but it's Spirit Airlines. You know what I'm saying? Like, have you ever flown Spirit?
Spirit,
yo,
no.
that shit is terrible, fam.
That shit is like a flying desk.
Yo.
I'm not trying to be on that shit.
That shit is terrible.
That shit is weird.
It's a Greyhound with wings.
Yo, flying used to be the mad luxurious shit. They used to give you cigars and shit. Yeah. The fucking flight attendants give you the wild handy.
Yeah.
No,
hot
no
towel,
more of that shit.
Handy under the hot towel.
Like it's like the airlines hate you for flying on the planes and shit.
Oh my God. Yo, you really want to see my nigga? Oh my God.
Yo, is there a meal on this?
So that's always like, yo, this
excuse me,
nigga, man.
Excuse me, can I get, I was promised, I'm flying to LA. Bruh. Can I get a meal? Like, and they're like, my nigga, is this Red Lobster?
What the fuck you think this is?
What this?
All these pretzels, you fucking clown. Niggas throw them shits in your face.
Hope you don't die.
Fucking worm. Yo, can I tell you how tight? Yo, Shorty came by and gave me like water in a little cup or whatever. Mm-hmm. You know, airline cups, they're fucking tiny.
Yeah.
I drink the water mad fast. She's coming back the other way. I'm like, yo, can you take this cup so the shit doesn't sit in my lap? She's like, no, you have to wait for me to come down. I'm like, yo, you dead ass? Like, yo, you have the little garbage can right there. Like, why can't you just take the shit? And Shorty really made me wait 45 minutes with a cup full of ice in my lap while I'm trying to go to sleep on this fucking 16,000-hour flight.
Listen,
she was like, fuck you, nigga.
Once they pull that curtain between fucking business and first class, once that curtain's pulled, you're not a person anymore. You're a piece of garbage.
You're fucking cargo.
She's looking at you the way you're looking at that cup. She's like, you're not a person. I'll go fuck about you.
You have to wait.
She's like, fuck you, 13F. Now I was very humbled right there. You know what I'm saying? I just went to sleep. Fuck that. You know the guy next to me has sleep apnea. And he's like...
Yo, that is disgustingly
annoying.
I'm
just sitting there. I'm like, yo, does anyone else see this? Like, what the fuck? And shout out to that old bitch that was sitting in front of me who decided she gonna read like fucking like a fucking like the collective works of Walt Whitman
Yo.
with her light on
Yo.
on a fucking cross-country flight. Like, everyone else has the light off.
Yes.
And she's over there reading the shit.
Those
She's
are the
reading the
rules.
fucking chapters of fucking John Steinbeck when he's talking about the fields and shit. I want to be like, yo, turn off your light.
Fucking maniac. Yo, that's the rules. If they turn the light off on the plane, you got to turn your light off.
Yes.
Unless you're fucking making an amendment to the Constitution, my nigga, turn your fucking light off. Like, what are you doing that's so important?
Like, I was trying to make a video because I wanted to show she was literally the only person in the economy with the light on.
Looking like she's doing a one-man show and shit.
I was like, yo,
Off Broadway.
I'm like, nigga, you're not Neil Brennan. This ain't 3 mics. Turn that shit off. The fuck?
Yeah. Fuck
And she's
outta
just
here.
reading it, and then like the nigga next to her, well, he's not a nigga. He was like an old white guy, but he's still a nigga. The guy across the aisle from her turned on his light, and then like they were both side by side with their lights on. I was like, what's the coincidence that these two fucking old geezers who should have been dead already both have their lights on? And then when the plane landed, they got up and they kissed each other with their no top lips. And I was like, these fucking assholes. They're clearly married. They probably fly around the country interrupting people's shit. I always get that. Why do people always want to have their fucking light on?
Yo, turn that shit off. That's the rules on every form of transportation. When I used to take the express bus on the wild early tip,
Yeah.
and it's like 4 or 5 in the morning, niggas
Back
still
in our
want to sleep.
poor days.
Back in the poor era,
Yeah.
like
Last year.
yeah, 3 months ago. Fucking, they turn the lights off. Everybody nods out. It's always the one asshole like, yo, talking on the phone. Yo, hi, yes, I'm saying hi. Yeah, I'm watching the Pinot right now on my phone. Ah. Nigga, it's 4:30. I'm trying to sleep at least 1 more hour until I go do this fucking dreadful job that I hate.
Niggas don't recognize the. They
don't recognize the struggle. They don't recognize the struggle.
But we out that now.
Fuck that.
We about to, like, Viceland about to cop that PJ.
Ooh.
Listen, I was sitting at home, you know what I'm saying? I'm feeling sad about my dog and shit. And the Gmail was like, bing, bing. And I was like, oh, email. There was like, email from Shane Smith. And I was like, what? Scooby Doo, what?
Roll.
I was like, yo,
Right,
I guess me and Shane Smith are on a personal level now. So he loves the show.
His
Shout out to
daughter.
him, just being rich as fuck. And one day, like,
Yeah.
sitting in his house under a bear he shot. And like, yo, let me check out my network.
He's like, yo, hit niggas up, yo, fuck with y'all.
I fuck
Niggas,
with y'all.
Nigga call this Tiger Boat captains. That's lit.
I don't know what that means.
I don't know
but
what that
fuck
mean,
it.
but it's fucking lit.
It's lit.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
It's the come up.
Like, I got dat from D Nice once, and I always thought that was a big deal. So I'm stepping it up.
Like, yo, I seen DJ Junior Tech live.
Listen, man, we're out here. We're
Bidens.
living the American dream.
Spidey Bidens.
It's not Donald Trump. Donald Trump is telling you about the American dream.
Nah, he's
we
lying.
are the American dream. We're who dreams if whom dreams ended well.
Yeah, for real.
You know what I'm saying?
If
Who
Len
would
Bias
ever
got
thought?
drafted.
Little D from 233rd.
You know what I'm saying?
Little Merrill from
I'm saying?
Little
East
Joel
Tremont?
from East Tremont.
Out here.
Look at us. We're out here.
Out here doing it.
Out here doing the Basil Boys. We're out here
Basil's
in LA.
so lit. Basil was an accidental special that y'all got. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? Niggas wasn't even supposed to do that.
Because
but
we
did
create
it.
content.
You know what I'm
We
saying?
create
Come on,
content.
dog. It's
Shout out
content
to
farm.
us because remember on this podcast you were like, yo, if your dog dies, you know I'm not gonna show up. And like the next night I was like, nah, I'm gonna come through. But we create content. This is
That's
what
what
we
we
do.
do,
We
baby.
do it all day,
You know what I'm
baby.
saying?
We do it effortlessly. We throw it up in the air like LeBron's powder. Or the same way
You know what I'm
Miro
saying?
gets his wife pregnant.
You know what I'm saying? Just
Easy.
happens. Light work.
Oh my God. Just Heather got the egg right there and the Miro's sperm to come through like
Going down on the fast break like,
Mommy copy chula.
Mommy chula.
And the egg is like, oh no.
Oh my God.
All the other eggs are like, oh no, it's a Miro sperm. Like, boom, ba-dum, boom, boom, ba-dum, boom, boom,
I hear him
ba-dum,
coming.
boom, boom,
I hear him
ba-dum,
coming down the
boom.
block.
Boom, 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 boom. Just mad hip hop gyrations. Oh my God, does that sperm have a do-rag?
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Yo.
He's got the uncut. The sperm got like the red eyes because
So, yo.
it's smoking the L where the other sperms was leaving.
Yo, she's just looking at his phone like, yo,
That
GPS
shit got the, it's like, yo,
says-
FaceTime, it's lit,
yo,
about to
nigga.
run up in this egg, nigga.
We out
we
here,
out
nigga, you already
here.
know, hey?
Going through her mucus, nigga. You know what it is, Miro sperm.
Oh, man.
We're about to start selling Miro sperm. Would your wife be all right with you selling your
Selling
sperm?
sperm?
So other people have little baby Miros? You have beautiful kids.
I like them. They're beautiful. They're beautiful children.
Except for your second kid. That's Ezra's kid.
Ezra's good.
Yeah.
do you mean?
Have you never noticed your second child looks like Ezra?
Oh no, Adrian. No, it's funny because I hit Ezra.
He has Ezra's bangs. Get Maury here.
Yeah, right. I hit him up the other day. I was like, yo, because Adrian took a picture where he had that little swoopy shit in the front, and that's like, yo, I'm like, yo, this nigga took a picture and like he combed his hair and it just felt like that, and I was like, yo, look, he's gonna be you for Halloween. And he was like, that's funny, man. Shout out to Ezra. You know what I'm saying? I had a good squad gang.
That's a good dude. He was there for the TCAs.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
Came through, held us down. You know what I'm
Shout
saying?
out to Eric. Shout out to Spike.
saying?
Shout out to
You know what I'm saying?
Guy.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to Victor.
Shout out to
Out
Victor
there,
all day.
TCA.
Off
Victor.
jump. The God. You know
Oh
what
my
I'm saying?
God. You guys, listen, Bodega Hive, you like every day thank Victor.
Pay homage.
Because it wasn't for Victor, we'd be the fucking second act of the Universal Soul Circus. Up next, the rapping Pitbulls and Jesus and Miro. Ball, 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 ball. Give it up for my dog.
Hey, the dog
We
is
were in
jumping.
clubs. We're rapping and trapping. I'm
Elephants
so
are jumping.
broke, I'm gonna start cracking.
Hey, so crap in the pipe. Hey, gotta get life right.
Victor's like, damn, I wish I had reached him the time and shit.
Damn, fuck.
We signed a 20-year contract and shit. 20-year contract for $10,000 a year.
Yeah, shit.
No, Victor, listen.
It's
Shout out to
good.
them. Shout out to ICM and our
You know what I
partners
mean?
out there.
Oh man, whole money team.
The whole money's here. Just to have people believing in you. It feels so weird.
Yo, that's the watch. Niggas went out to LA and niggas in suits were like, yo,
Y'all next.
y'all next, yo.
Y'all next.
So
We are, though.
get the fuck out the way.
Shout out to Bodega Hive for
You
gassing
know
us
what
up.
I'm saying? Shout out to y'all.
Y'all.
You know what I'm saying?
That's why we go in confidence with fucking... We go in conference rooms and we wear sweatpants and can see our dick print and we're still like, yo, we're the future.
Respect the dick print.
You see the dick print. You see it.
Put my foreskin back.
You see that? You see at the tip where it gets thin? You know what that is, bro. You know what that is.
A top back. I'm circumcised.
All right. I'm a Gentile.
Shout out to foreskins.
Shout out to chicks that like chew on foreskins like bubblegum. Again, I see from Blacked. Nah, be nasty.
Shout out to Pino.
Go ahead. Tonight, spit in your lover's mouth.
You know what I'm saying? Do
Yeah,
it.
be nasty.
Do it.
Have sex to Bodega Boys.
Talk to him.
You know what I'm saying? When you up top riding, start cracking up and shit. Make it weird.
Yo, he's gonna be like, yo, why you laughing, yo?
Yo,
Chill.
be like, yo, the brand is strong while you put your middle finger in her cooch to fish out the condom. We all been there.
Yeah, it's true.
Listen, it happens.
Yeah, it
And then you're
happens.
like, yo,
Yo, fuck
was
it.
that technically raw? It's like, she gotta get the pill. Whatever. And you're like, yeah, fuck that,
Yeah,
whatever.
fucking nigga, pull it up.
Whatever. Pull it up for 40. She don't care. As long as you made her come.
Yo.
Make sure you make your ladies poom poom twak.
Yo, for 2017.
All right? Make sure she comes.
You know what I'm saying? She's probably sad because Trump presidency, shit's
Yeah.
whack.
The
You know what I'm saying?
inauguration and shit.
You know what I mean?
She had to
Give-
watch Three Doors Down.
Put
Like,
some
you
joy
know?
in her life.
And you know what? Because we're gender fluid. Make him
Make
come.
him. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Make they come.
Do what you do.
know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? Get in the front, pump some water.
That's it. Pump some water.
You know, just make sure your lover in consent.
Yeah.
That's a good time.
Very important.
Shout
Yeah.
out to Melissa Harris Perry,
All day.
who
Holla.
your man Miro was like, make the pussy
Like
talk.
the pussy talk. That's definitely from a Pimp C song.
That is probably
Right?
something about the dressers and shit. Mm-hmm. I mean, we're trying. You know, we're problematic, but,
Yeah, but hey, you know
know,
what I'm saying? Hey, it is what it is.
we out here.
Yo, shout out to her for going with that though and making it happen because that was lit.
She's cool
That's how,
people.
now we're gonna win an Emmy. You know what I'm saying?
What are you gonna do with the Emmy? Are you not afraid your children will break it?
Nah, I just put it on my mantle
Oh.
type shit. You know what I mean?
You have a
Like,
mantle?
in the new crib.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Crib report. You know what I'm saying?
Crib
Niggas,
report.
niggas very close to the new crib. We all for now,
Whoa,
but we moving.
whoa, grow, whoa,
Hey.
whoa. Hello, y'all. It's Angela B here. I'm here for Zillow with the crib reports. We have a hot freaking topic here. It seems the kid Miro and his boo Heather have decided to buy a house.
Yes, that's right.
That's right. They're moving to. So open your gates and put on your alarm systems because guess what? The neighborhood is getting quite Dominican.
Yes, that's
when you
right.
smell the bacalao, you know it's also coming with the loud.
You already know.
We over here. We have with the kid Miro. Now tell us about your house.
Well, yeah, it's a very nice 5-bedroom house, and yeah, there's a mudroom, of course. You
Of
know what I'm saying?
course.
Of course, the mudroom is very necessary.
Anything later,
You know what I'm
anything
saying?
less would be for the poor.
For the broke boys.
Broke
and, you know,
boys.
and I have my door alarm sounds like this.
Oh dear. Oh dear. I don't know what the neighborhood association would say about that. So rumors say, because I know you're gonna have 4 kids.
Yes.
Is it true you'll be keeping the horse in the garage?
The horse will actually be off the leash. It's a cul-de-sac.
Okay.
So the horse cannot escape onto the highway.
Oh, nice.
You
Nice.
spoke to the neighbors. They're cool with it.
How many bedrooms?
5 bedrooms.
Oh, wow.
1 horse pen, which will not be used. It will be used as a smoking area.
How
to
many
smoke
bedrooms?
Wild Chronicles. 5 bedrooms.
Say that one more time.
5 bedrooms.
Wow.
Yes. You know what I'm saying? And a finished basement. You know
Oh,
what I'm saying?
wow.
So we out here living life. You know what I'm saying?
How big? A living room?
Oh, yeah.
What's the kitchen like?
It's a beautiful island, marble. You know what I'm saying? Sunken living room. You know what I'm saying?
nice.
You know what I'm saying? Off the Eden kitchen, and you know what I'm saying? Nice sized yard, close to transportation and houses.
Now,
of
I heard a
worship.
rumor that you would have a guest house for the Jesus Nice.
Yeah, I actually have a fully functional pool house.
Nice.
With electricity.
That's
you know what I'm
true.
saying? And,
Now, you know Jesus Nice is known to coon it up, so he will be the cabana boy. We look forward to these exploits. And they're coming,
Yeah.
the life of Miro coming to E.
Yo, nah, you know what we're gonna do though? Deadass. So this house is a nice house.
Yeah.
But it's not like I'm making mad money house.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? And as soon as we got back from LA, you know what I'm saying? Niggas is in that mode. Now we got to start looking at mad money houses. But
Yeah.
Heather's like, yo, I'm not trying to move somewhere and then move again.
Okay.
Which makes sense, you know what I'm saying? Because the kids, you want to have the kids in school and then take them out of school and then put them
Right.
somewhere else.
Yo, shout out to you for not backhanding her and be like, shut the fuck up, bitch.
True. You know what I'm saying?
Not saying that's what I would do. I'm just saying, like, some other people would have done
Some
that.
people might have done that, but not him.
Not
You know what
me.
I'm saying? He's a man of God.
I have no one in my life.
He's riding his horse.
I'm alone.
So I'm like, yo, I was like, yo, you know what? Fuck it. I'll just buy the neighbor's crib. You know what I'm saying? If niggas get paid like that, and
Hi.
then you just
Hi,
buy the
Drake.
neighbor's crib. You know what I'm saying? And then we just connect it and make like the MSG Sky Bridge connecting
Yeah.
the 2 cribs.
That'll
Lit.
work.
You know what I'm saying? We can have like all
Because
types
your
of
kids
wild
are
shit.
about to be at the age where they could do shit like to help. Like they could wash cars and shit.
Hell yeah.
They could take care of my.
They gotta learn. That's what I'm saying. My kids can't be spoiled. They gotta
Yeah.
wash cars. They gotta mow lawns.
They
You
can
know
help
what
me
I'm
take
saying?
care of my ostrich. Yes, I'm getting an ostrich.
Yes.
Fuck that.
Yo, that's what you should do now.
I'm about to be Michael Jackson.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you get a wild exotic? You
I have
can definitely afford a wild
I have
exotic.
vitiligo. I don't.
No.
I just beat my dick so much, like the skin was coming off. It's in the pink meat.
Ah, Rohan.
So nasty. So nasty. Let me find out.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh my god. How are we allowed to have a podcast?
Yo.
How are we allowed to cook like this?
Yo, it is what it is, man.
Like God was like, yo, who in the Bronx is gonna win? Him and him.
And that's it.
That's it. And then God took the Henny and was like, I'm out this. And God put up his Timbs like, yo,
He swept us up in his magical Pele.
look at us. We're up there. The Bronx God. That's right. The News 12 God. He was like, bless Miro. Bless Jesus.
Bless him.
Dead ass, y'all.
Dead ass, my
And all the
nigga.
other guys were like, why are you blessing them? He was like, nah. I fucks with them.
Those my niggas.
Straight
those my
facts,
niggas.
B.
Through the axe. You heard? Mm-hmm. It's my niggas.
God in the Averex.
Yeah.
The God. The God hooking the nigga up.
You know what I'm saying? Averex never co-checked the shit.
You know what I'm
You know what I'm
saying?
saying? Because he got the dang on him.
He's like, nah, keep my thing with me.
Yeah. Nah,
Nah,
my nigga,
I'm good.
You stupid?
You got security, I got
What?
security. Fuck
Let me
that.
ask you something. You be going raw? Nah.
Nah.
I don't go raw in the club, if you know what I mean.
You know what I'm saying? Nigga, ready for whatever. All right?
Yo.
Nah, niggas ain't gonna catch me stripping this controller.
Yo, I seen a fucking, like, not a commercial, like some shit on YouTube. It was a trailer for a documentary about the tunnel. And I'm like,
Yeah, I
yo,
saw that.
I'm low-key hyped to see that.
That's
You know what I'm
good.
saying? All the VHS footage of
My
niggas
man
wilding
Black
out.
Pat, shot the Black Pat
Shout
did
out to Black
7
Pat.
years, didn't snitch on niggas.
That's right.
All right?
Held it down.
Unlike another person involved to that who got caught with 20,000 e-pills and did 2 years. And shortly after that, Black Pat got knocked.
Snitch Richmond.
Stop snitching, man. Snitching at all-time high.
Snitching
How you really sit down and snitch on niggas, though?
Yeah.
Like, I don't have that in me.
Nah.
Like, I'm responsible for my actions. I'm
That's
like,
it.
yo, if I fuck up, like...
I fucked up.
I fucked up. That's on me. I'm not gonna be like... And niggas is like, yo, I'll cut your sentence in half. Like, you still have to go on the street and shit. And then now you're like, yo, like, I... Imagine niggas was like, yo, y'all niggas talking about smoking weed, whatever, blah, 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 Miro, whatever. You going to jail for 7 years, nigga. Or if you snitch on Miro, you go to jail for 3. You're gonna get locked up. So now it's like, we're both going to jail. What's the
We're
fucking
both
point of
going
that
to jail.
shit, man?
Yo, it's terrible.
Not
Yeah,
forever.
niggas
That
don't-
stupid mentality is why I almost got locked up over a gun. But I would have done our bid. Niggas know that shit.
Come on.
Niggas know Jesus is a hard body out here. You know what I'm
Yo.
saying? I'm not listen.
If you get caught up, and this, I
Because the
mean,
whole thing is like you understand what it is going
yeah,
in.
that's what I'm saying. Like, if you, like, that's the thing. Like, people, like, that's why I'm like, yo, be careful. know what you're getting into, because like, yo, you got to know if shit hits the fan.
repercussions.
Yeah, dog. Like, yo,
Listen.
you might go to jail, my nigga, or like you
That's
might.
it. Like rappers
You know what I'm
always be like, "I'm selling drugs, I'm moving keys and shit." Like, yo, talk about the bad side.
Yeah.
Talk about your man has to get fucking 20 fucking money orders to bail you out.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? Or has to show that the money is coming from a legit job and not just drug money and shit.
Yep.
Show the shit that niggas sit in the courtroom for 8 hours.
With mad tax documents, mad like exhibit.
You know what I'm saying? Show all that shit.
Yep.
Niggas don't show that
This
shit.
nigga hasn't filed taxes in 25 years, Your Honor.
You know what I'm saying? Like, it's true.
Yeah.
It's true.
He's out here with fucking brand new Benz with cash. What's going on here?
Niggas don't know, man.
Yep.
Niggas don't know what it is.
You know what I'm saying? My fucking
But,
my cousin got caught up. You know what I'm saying? Sent a dude. This is the thing too. Like, really know who you're dealing with.
Yeah.
Sent a dude OT to Ohio. Dude got snatched halfway there. Immediately flipped. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? Now you're doing 15, 20 joints, and then as soon as you get out, you get deported. You know what I'm saying?
My man Pat sold someone a 20 bag, but the chick was already caught up in the case, and she was like, "I could give you this nigga." So they did 7 years for a $20 bag of coke.
Wow.
What kind of bullshit is that?
Yep.
After that, I was like, "Yo, I'm done with this shit."
Yeah.
I was like, "This is some bullshit." Because you know what I'm saying? Like, someone buying drugs from you, like that's not your homie.
Nah.
That's not your homie. They got your phone number. They might smoke with you. They
Yeah.
might do their shit with you. You might be in their house. But at the end of the day, you are disposable.
Yo, no selling of any drug is more telling with that than yay. Because niggas will be your fake friend all day.
All day.
To get you to
All
fucking
day.
pop, crack open a dub. Like,
Yep.
I'm like, my nigga, first of all, I'm not doing this shit with you. You know what I'm saying? So, you sitting around here trying to pal around.
All right, I'm
for
gonna watch you
45
play
minutes.
Wii tennis
Yeah.
with your homeboy
You know
for
what I'm
like
saying?
4 hours and shit.
Well, I smoked this blunt. Like,
Shout out
yo.
to all my yay heads out there lying to the drug dealers like, yo, today's my birthday. Like, nah,
Nah.
this is your 4th birthday
Yeah.
this year and it's January.
Fam, I
What
know
are you
a
doing?
dude who went around telling niggas that he win for life and had the whole hood gas, like, and was borrowing money from niggas to cop yay,
Yeah.
but had the whole hood gas, like, yo, this nigga win for life. He got me back. I don't, yo, heads are very creative with their storytelling, B, and they're
Listen,
very charismatic.
They'll
You know
tell
what I'm
you,
saying?
they'll tell you whatever they need
They'll
to
tell you
get that powder,
You know what I'm
daddy.
saying? Niggas said I win for life, had the whole hood gas.
Shout out to us. We went from dirtbag drug dealers to late night hosts.
You know what I mean? I
Jimmy
mean,
Fallon don't got this resume, yo.
I don't think so.
Right?
I don't
Jimmy
think so.
Fallon never bagged up.
Nope. Jimmy Fallon never backed up like a fool and then got in a cab.
What's funny is like what they show on Viceland is like our past life.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Because, like at one point I was smuggling gas through a rainforest.
Yeah.
That was Tuesday, nigga.
No, you siphoned that yourself. and
Out
shit.
myself. Put
Yeah.
a peppermint in my mouth afterwards, get the
Fuck
taste
it.
out.
Damn.
Oh
Smell it
shit.
in my nose.
How soon till the Bodega High Princess shows up?
Late March, early April. You know what I'm saying? What quarter is that in the recording industry? Is that the second quarter, third quarter?
Late March.
Late March?
January. That's like first quarter. So.
First quarter?
Yeah, yeah.
First quarter, baby. First quarter
baby.
coming in hot. First quarter. You know what I'm saying? With the new single.
Have you
I'm
started?
the only girl here.
Have you started like following XO Jane and like other feminist accounts to like
Yeah.
teach her woke?
Imagine. Yo,
I'm gonna make your daughter so fucking woke. You gonna be sick.
yo. She's gonna have the wild I'm a feminist onesie.
Oh, she gonna be yes. She gonna be like fuck cis males. I got y'all.
Yeah.
She gonna be like problematic. She gonna have
Men's tears on baby bottle.
she gonna have a Twitter account too. I got you.
Yeah, have a fashion blog by 5 and shit. You know what I'm saying? On tour with Rihanna by 10.
Oh shit. Nah, that's cool, man. You got your kids, man.
Yeah, shout out to them.
Shout out to
They're
you.
Mad lit.
Shout out to you with your sperm everywhere. Mad kids and shit.
Everywhere.
We out here.
Shout out to all the ones that didn't make it in a sock somewhere.
In a sock, in a wastebasket, in a curtain, in a bed sheet, in some hair,
Yo,
on a belly.
this is for my fallen soldiers. We miss you.
Yo! I'm done. End it there. We're done. Yo, you were wildin', my nigga. That would sound clash right there.
Yo, is a Sound Clash coming up next? Now I see the Mix Pack slip mat. Shout out to Mix Pack. Fuck Wiz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying?
Always and forever.
You know what I mean?
2017. We still on that.
Where's the Sound Clash? It's just
I
coming
don't know.
up
We're
soon,
gonna
no?
be there.
We got
Even
to.
if we can't host it, like someone from Mixed Package is gonna smuggle us there in a suitcase.
Yeah, come on.
If they can bring us out on stage, the crowd's gonna be like, yeah, it's the Grind Boys them.
Yeah, the Grind Boys.
Grind Boy crew. Bop, 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 bop.
Wow, 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 wow. Yo, shout out to every
Grab
grab.
boys, grab boys, grab boys, grab boys, grab boys. God hail the queen. That's gonna be us be out there.
Yo, can't wait.
Can't wait.
I've never been to London, son. I
Yo,
don't know
you have
London.
fun.
Is that shit lit?
Yeah, it's lit.
What is it like? What city is it most comparable to? Because you know people be like, yo, tell me what city, and like,
When I was in like Brixton and shit, that shit feels like the Bronx.
Yeah?
Because it's a little dangerous.
Bronxton?
Whatever. It's not dangerous for real, for real. It's
Yeah.
like
Niggas
you
got
get
knives.
stabbed and shit. Like
niggas got Levi jeans.
No, when I was in Brixton, my aunt was like, "Don't go outside, you get stabbed." I was like, "All right, nigga." I was like, "All right, nigga."
Come on, from the
We
Bronx,
all
my
right.
nigga. Come on. We from
I'm
the
in
Bronx, New York.
McDonald's.
Shit happens.
I'm in the like the McDonald's. They have like a McDonald's right there in Brixton and shit. And I'm
Do they
being
have
there.
like weird shit on the menu? Do they have like
yeah, they
fish
got
and
like
chips and shit?
fish and chips with like an extra long patty and shit. Like they got like shit that
long
you're like,
patty.
whoa,
Hey.
because you're not from there, but for them it's normal and shit. There is one bad, really, really bad McDonald's that has like a metal detector and it's 24 hours. Because like some Asian people got into like a gang fight. In front
gang
of it.
fight?
She's weird. Shout out to London,
Shout
man.
to London. You know what I'm
London
saying?
always showed me love. I always chilled out there and shit.
You know what I'm
Peckham.
saying? Shout to Peckham.
Peckham is wild gentrified now. Like when I used to go to Peckham, Peckham was like fucked up.
It's like Peckham Bay Parkway.
Yeah, that shit is like mild. Like now, like they have shops that don't even put gates down now because it's just
Oh
bad safe.
shit! All right.
But like if you're from there, because they have like the council homes,
Yeah.
which are
Council
the
estates,
PJs.
crime
Yeah,
boys.
council estates, which are the PJs. And they're right there. So excuse me. You got like the cupcake shop
That was
right
an art
there.
burp.
That's right.
He's at a cupcake shop right in front of the Peas.
Yeah, right there.
That's wild.
Yeah.
Damn, shout out to the Peas though.
Yeah, yeah.
Shout out to the Council Estates.
Got my
Crime Boys,
cousins
them.
out there and shit.
You know what I'm
Crime boys them. You know, I bang with the council thems.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? All the people out there.
Yo, damn, I'm dying to go out there.
We're
Now
gonna
I'm
go out
hyped.
there.
Now
Vice is, you know the thing is,
they gotta send us out there for some wild. There's got
Vice
what's like a thing that they'll send
realizes,
us?
unlike a lot of other networks, Vice realizes our worth.
Yeah.
Vice realizes how easily we create content.
Yo.
We're like
Put niggas
not,
anywhere.
listen, I'm not. Listen, my back is not that flexible,
know
and
what I
I'm
mean?
not sucking my own dick here.
You know what I mean?
But we easily create
no Rob De
content.
Niro stories.
You know what I'm saying? There's no gerbil in my butt.
You know what I mean?
But we create content very easily, and
what I'm
Vice
saying?
realized that at the Basel trip. They were like, "Yo, like just mic them up."
Yeah.
That's the show right
Let
there.
them go.
That's what we do. So Vice gonna send us. They're gonna send us to London. They're gonna send us to Syria. They're gonna send us to like
Syria.
a fucking ISIS camp.
What's the place that you're like, yo, I'm not going there?
Nowhere.
Nowhere? You
Nowhere.
go anywhere?
I'll
Fuck
go
it.
anywhere.
Yeah,
I'll go
word.
anywhere. I'm like an uptown nigga. I serve anybody.
Yo, serve anybody niggas house uptown. Shout out to y'all that got that reference. You know what I'm saying? All my
Where
OGs.
would you? Well, you got kids. You can't go to Syria.
I'm not gonna. I might not wild out and go to Syria, but I might fuck around and go to Syria. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm
Cause I
saying?
just grow my beard out.
Oh
Niggas be
shit,
like, yo.
Bodega Boys live from Aleppo, nigga.
You know what I'm saying?
Gang. Oh shit,
Yo,
more
yeah.
the show.
Oh shit. Damn.
Damn.
Yo, see, but that's the shit. That's
Yo,
to show
we've
you
been
the
walking with
triviality.
these migrants for 2 miles
You know what
now.
I mean? We out here.
We out here. We in a rascal scooter. They're walking though.
Yo, we lit.
Yo, y'all all right?
Yo, y'all niggas want to light this hookah? What's good?
Yo, who wants water?
Yo.
Yo,
Yo, give me some more of that TB.
Somebody, name one of our episodes. You get this water.
Yeah.
Nope, never heard it. I guess we off that. Suck
sorry.
that. Suck my dick from the back. Good as shit.
Man, foul and shit. Just
Yeah.
fucking with niggas in the third world country. Damn. I mean, but yo, we deserve it. We came up. You know what
We
I'm
did deserve it. I feel like if we were white, they'd make a movie about us already.
saying? Are you kidding me, though?
Jamila Lemieux said that. She said that like 2 years ago. She was like, if Deezus and Mero, she either said if Deezus or Deezus and Mero, she said if they were white, like there'd be movies made about you.
Oh, you kidding me?
She knows it.
But
She
they're
will.
coming.
I
Get
make
ready.
a movie about me and my dog and how we lived in the bathroom.
Yo, shout out. That's fucking crazy. That's that dog movie.
A Dog's Purpose?
Yeah, that's.
Nah, I was supposed to go see it, but then I heard, like, according to TMZ, like, they're abusing the dogs.
Yeah, yo, there's a video of them trying to get a German Shepherd to like jump into like a roaring waters.
And the water,
and the dog is mad shook.
nah,
Like,
nah, I'm not going that water.
Yeah.
Fuck out of here, fuck out of here, fuck out
and they're
of here.
like, nah, man, you going in. Wow.
I mean, I seen that, and then so, like, a dog trainer was like, nah, that's like, he's like a Hollywood dog. Like, he's gonna do that regardless. Like,
Right.
eventually he'll be used to it.
Right.
But I'm just like, do I really want to see a movie about a dog dying over and over and
Over and over again.
Especially since I just buried my fucking dog.
Yeah, I'm like, yikes.
Shout out to my
Bad timing.
ceremony, though. It was very
It was a very touching.
very touching.
You said
I poured out liquor.
You poured out liquor. I respect that.
Respect that,
I
yeah.
respect nothing. I expect nothing less.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
So I was macked. I was smacked. Shout out to my man G Steel came through. We went to Rory Dolan's.
Oh, shit.
In Yonkers.
Nigga said Rory Dolan's in Yonkers.
We was drinking
Then
after
you hit up
that.
Scotland's after that?
We was out there. The live band wasn't there, but she was lit.
Yeah,
Yeah,
shit.
Shout out to him.
shout to
That's been my
Yonkers.
homie since fucking I want to say
Lehman?
high school. Yeah, Lehman High School. Shout out to Lehman.
Shout the Lehman Lions. Go Lions.
We used to be a rap group called the Lex Brothers because my name was Stanley Cups and his was G Steel. And if you know anything about Lexuses, there's the SC and there's the GS.
Oh,
y'all niggas ain't ready for that shit.
shit, nigga.
We never recorded anything.
That is
but-
the Bronxiest shit.
Listen, up next on Ghettonomics.
Yo, niggas gotta fucking around to do that shit because I was doing the same type of like rapping, doing music shit. Like we should just do
Let's
that.
do an album.
Fuck it. Why
Like,
not?
niggas want. If you want an album, here's in the mentions.
Yo,
and
G
shit.
Holler, nigga, let's get
go.
it. Super group, nigga, Wu-Tang. I have like 12 members.
You know what? We're not even gonna. It's not even gonna be a rap album. We're gonna do a weekend album where we sing and shit. On mad opioids and shit.
Can't wait.
I'll be like, no.
Oh, I got Oxycontin on deck.
There you go.
Nah,
Carmelo Anthony.
Chill. No, don't fuck with Oxys, man. I'm shit to kill you, nigga.
Nah, fuck with them shit. don't be the wild pussy. Like, yo,
Yeah.
don't get addicted.
True.
Master your high.
That's true. Yeah, you gotta master your high, yo. That's
Like,
really
are
why I don't
kids
tell
weaker
people.
now? Why does everyone get addicted?
I don't know, B. I feel like, yo, niggas OD, like, the internet makes you want to do everything very quickly and documents it and while out and document and, like, go the extra mile and do it for the gram type shit.
Yeah.
So it's just like,
My whole shit is like all my friends that do drugs. They don't like they do drugs and they're cool.
yeah.
Like I have friends that have like 6-figure jobs and they be
They're
in
good
like,
money?
Hotel Chantel,
Hey.
getting blown up,
Hey.
you know, opioids and shit. And they're just good money with it. Like
Yeah.
the rest of y'all niggas is not. But you know what? At the same time, look what happened with Yams.
Yeah.
Recipes Yams.
RP Yams, you know what I'm saying? Yams Day was off the fucking meter rack.
That shit, yeah,
know what I'm
everyone
saying?
there. Everyone was there. You know what? So we're not shaming nobody.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what
I know a
It's
couple
just-
niggas-
it's
I know a
just-
couple
it's
niggas
just
OD.
different tolerances. That's
Yeah.
it. That's all.
Just be careful, man.
Master
You know
your
what I'm saying?
high.
Whatever you do.
Master your high. Make sure you're riding your horse properly.
Yeah, yo.
If
And
you come
don't-
to a river, make sure. And they're like, yo, do you want to ford this river or do you want to pay to ride the ferry to get off this river?
Yeah.
Ride the ferry, dog.
Yeah. Yo, think about drugs like you think about alcohol. Be like, would you? I mean, damn, I was gonna say something, but then I'm sure that there's people that would do this. I'm like, you wouldn't just grab a bottle of Henny and start chugging it. You know what I'm saying?
Is open bar about to end? let me know what my options
You know
is,
what
my
I mean?
nigga.
Like, yo, you gotta just be easy, B. Don't pop fucking 6 pills at the same time. Like, chill, master your high.
Listen, some of my, I mean, listen, life is short.
Yeah.
Who the fuck cares? We're all gonna die.
Who are we to say?
We're all gonna die.
Damn, Dark Jesus.
Dark
Misery.
Jesus is back.
Darkness, from the darkness, come Jesus. I can't do the full metal voice. That should be making my throat hurt. Shout out to
I
y'all niggas that
look
do the whole
you
album.
in your eyes. Don't ask me why. A feeling that I crave. I've already dug your grave. You're gonna die. You're gonna die. It's like me and Slipknot.
Damn, nigga with the Slipknot rap. Shout out to
Listen,
them.
shout out to them.
Yeah.
Listen,
There was like 12 niggas in that band, B.
there was, and they had the weird
Masks and shit,
the
right?
weird masks and shit.
Yeah, shout out to them.
When I work out, I listen to heavy metal shit like that.
No.
Because I want that fucking like I'm gonna shoot up a school or kill my parents kind of like feeling like yo.
Yeah. That's definitely workout music. Like, I go in between like shit, like hardcore metal type shit and like Styles P.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you ever really want to do like the wild workout, you have to listen to the fucking Slayer Seasons in the Abyss.
Ooh. Okay.
That shit'll get you out
Nice.
there, man.
All right.
You do like fucking 1,000 push-ups and shit, and you wake up like, yo, Hill Sig 1488.
Yeah.
I must protect the white race.
Oh, man. Yo, you got to fuck with some New York hardcore then, because it's like New York dudes.
I'm aware.
You know what I'm
I'm aware.
Ah,
Listen, I used to work in the Lower East Side. I know all that shit.
Oh,
man.
shit. Little mad ball.
CBGBs when it was like,
Yeah. Little,
was it one of some whack shit? Yeah. I miss the old New York. The old New York was like mad cool. It was like gritty.
Yeah,
There was always that undercurrent that you could die at any
It was
moment.
yo, that's what I'm saying. I was like, what is that feeling? I was like, oh, it's like the weird rush that you get from doing something and getting away with it.
Yeah.
Knowing like, yo, A, I could get arrested, B, I could die. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, going into a train tunnel, B,
Ridiculous.
nothing like it.
Yeah, I mean, people do
It's
it now. It's
wild.
not the same.
It's not the same.
But to them, it's new. So to them, it's
Yeah.
fresh. But like the old New York, when shit was like wild, like they could
Yeah.
pop you and there's no cameras and shit.
Yo.
Or like, yo, I remember they used to have like the wild, peaceful fucking club on Second and Second.
Mm-hmm.
Shit was in Star Foods. It was called Wonderful.
Shit.
You know, they play like fucking not Wonderful. It was called Freedom. The Freedom Party on Second and Second. You know what I'm saying? It was just like peace.
Love.
Niggas didn't search niggas at the door and shit.
Unity, yeah.
Me and my boys used to be in there with the burners. I was like, wait for one of these hippie niggas to act up.
Yeah, I wish I
I'll fucking buck the. And niggas after, like, we go every week because I was like, this shit is cool. This black chick's here. This shit is cool.
Yeah.
And then, like, niggas started feeling bad. Like, yo, I don't feel like we really got to bring the guns to this shit.
Yeah, like nobody's really beefing with us.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That's the whole New York and shit. Then they actually moved it to Spy Bar.
Shut this. Wow, niggas a spy bar.
And then it was like, yo, you definitely got to bring the burner now.
Yeah.
But they had metal detectors. So niggas was like, oh, I left something in the car. I'll be right back. And
Damn, niggas a spy bar. Damn.
took you back, right?
Yeah.
Listen,
Shout out to B bar.
I'm old, washed New Yorker.
Shout out to B bar.
Shout out to Sharks Bar.
Sharks bar.
Shout out to Justice. Shout out to Cheetah.
Wow.
what I'm saying?
Nigga said Justin is mac and cheese while overrated, but fuck
Listen, that was like 30 years ago and shit.
it. Yo. I remember niggas used to, there was a fucking rap battle in front of that place on several occasions. And one of them shits ended up on like Smack DVD with fucking Sire Castro and some other dude. It was wild. And like J Mills or some shit.
Like, I'm trying to do the math about how I know about all these watch clubs, but I forgot I was in the club at like 14.
Matt, yeah.
Because my cousin, shout out to Preem, Number Lucci, Nine Fingers Production, Benny Blanco up in
Oh,
this bitch
shit.
every Thursday at Salsa Con Fuego. But, yeah, he used to have me in the club. Because his whole thing was, he's not here to party. He's giving out flyers. And the club was like, all right, let him rock. And I'd be in the club. It's like 1 a.m. I'm giving out flyers and shit. God, I'm 15 and a 30-year-old woman is like giving me her number and shit.
Nigga, sweaty butt cheeks.
Nasty.
She's like, yo, you got a drink ticket for me, Pappy?
She's like, how old are you? I'm like, I'm clearly underage. She's like,
Yo.
yeah, take my number. I'm like, oh, shit.
Yeah, I was G'ing off at like 15, because like I had this same beard.
Yeah.
The shit came in early. Like, shit came in very early.
Nigga had the cashew beard at 15.
Yo,
like,
I had the
yo.
wild fucking, like, more than a chin strap. And was bagging shorties, like, from Fordham and shit, like, older joints.
Yeah.
Completely lying about my age. Like, I'm 20. I'm 20. I'm like, yo, 15.
Wow.
They're like, yo, come to the club. I'm like, I had to rock my man's ID. This Albanian dude. Who was like 10 years older than me. I had to rock that nigga's ID to go to the clubs and shit. It was wild.
I remember this one chick, she had a kid, and I was like, you know, like, she was like, yo, I'm putting my kids to sleep, whatever.
Yeah.
And the kid was like acting up, and I was sitting in the living room, and I went in the room, and like, he had some books, and I read to him, and I guess no one had ever read to this kid ever in his life.
Nigga got stars in his eyes.
This nigga was like, yo, don't leave. I was like, yo, I gotta go blow your mother's back out.
Don't leave me, Dad.
I was like, yo.
Yo, niggas about to suck on you, dad's.
But then she did some stupid shit. I ended up just leaving.
Yeah, listen.
It happens.
Does it happen?
And the kid was like, when's D coming back? He's never coming back, little
Come
nigga.
back, nigga.
He hates black guys now. He's a cop.
He's a cop. Yo.
He looks like the guy that read the story to me and walked out my life. And I was just ad-libbing the story. I was like, yo,
Yeah.
this is the lady. She had like mad kids. She lives in the shoe. It was a Timberland boot though. It had the leather upper. So the shit was fire. You know what I'm saying? You know
Yo,
what I mean?
don't go out there and disrespect yourself with the cop Tims. We told y'all that already. No single soles. You need the brown leather.
You can get the shit without the leather if you're working construction or you're a cop.
Oh yeah. If
That's
you're
it.
actually using them for work,
Right.
You can't go out and try to stunt in those.
You can't flex with those.
No. Those
Not
are for like doing your work.
You gotta have the leather. Can't trust you don't got the leather.
That's true.
It's simple, man.
Very simple.
The
Simple
Maybach got the
mathematics.
leather. Why don't you have the leather?
Simple mathematics.
It's like $10 more or more. I don't know.
Speaking of leathers, yo, Pele, send us some leathers, yo.
Send us everything. Everyone send us everything for free.
Yeah. We have
I want to
rice
get in
now.
the point where I could go to Whole Food and just like take a wild scoop full of like hot food in my
Yeah,
hand
with your hand.
and just walk out.
Oh, that's just Jesus.
Oh, Deezer, he's so whimsical.
Yeah, how you love him.
He's unabashed.
Hey, do you want to do a quick Instagram spot for us?
Yeah, sure. Hey, Jesus, I loved you in Moonlight. I'm like, that wasn't me.
That was me, then fuck.
Who? Wait, which one was me?
Hold up.
The gay nigga?
Nah, Boki Woodbine.
They're like, nah. They're like, yeah, when you kiss the other guy, I was like, yeah, I'm fine with that. Let's go with that.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
the Moonlight.
Gender fluid.
Miro has a
It
scene.
won. I got the screener.
He has a screener. That's Miro's answer for everything.
Yeah, but does it have a it won, right? It won the Golden Globe for best picture. or
Yeah,
some
something like that.
Shut
It's a
that
good
down.
movie.
Yeah, shut that down.
We've talked about it on like every episode.
Yeah.
I feel like, you know what it is? Because it showed a picture of black masculinity that is fractured.
Yeah.
Because of the way the media portrays it. Because you cannot be a homosexual and be a strong black man. And that's not the case.
Oh, that's
So
true.
it was like, yo, he's a dude. He's out here. He's a little gay.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? He's
Those niggas just living his best life.
He's living his best life.
Yeah, that's ill because like
Shout out to my little brother. He's gay.
yo,
You know what I'm saying? I think we taking the wild dick. But I love him. That's my homeboy.
that's the nigga right
You
there.
know what I'm saying?
Oh man. Shout out. I'm just trying to yo.
Are you alright? You seem like you're fading.
No,
over there.
I just burped.
I feel you.
Shout out to
Nigga,
my
I've
mother,
been drunk for like 12 hours
12
now.
hours? It's lit.
I just looked through my text messages. Nigga, I've ruined my life.
I'm like, things that I wrote.
I be sending some text messages and be like, I be sending Drake interludes as text messages.
Damn.
Yeah.
I mean, fuck it though, bro.
Yeah, I don't
Like,
care.
Who
'cause
cares?
I'm like, about TV, ma. You
who
understand what it
cares,
is.
man?
Nah, my shit look like a Party Next Door song.
Yo.
I have no idea what's going on.
Yeah. Nigga just,
Like, I had to hit the girl like, yo, listen. It was 2 for 1 drinks. I might have said something I don't mean.
I don't know what happened.
That whole thing about like having kids and us growing old together. You're like, you know what I'm saying? I was going off to Henny. I apologize. Things working out.
The goose had me loose.
You know what I'm
I'm
saying?
saying?
Blame it on the goose. Yo, Jamie Foxx had a song.
Jamie Foxx had a fucking album that was fire.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? Like he had like 3 singles off that joint.
Listen, if anyone tells you you can't do anything,
Yo, tell him look at Jamie Foxx. This nigga's over here doing comedy, winning Oscars for serious roles. Shout out to Ray, great movie. Winning. Did he win a Grammy for the album? Did he get nominated?
I don't even
The shit went platinum.
he had a Hype Williams video for this.
Yep. Yep.
Wow.
Yeah. Blame it on the Henny. Woo. This shit, nigga, this shit was ringing off in the club. Woo.
I can't wait till I do some shit like this. Sorry, like, enough. You gotta pay royalties for that.
Yo, I
Yo,
might
they
have,
really let Jamie
what year was
Foxx-
this? What year was this? I might have made a child to this.
This was 09.
Yeah, I definitely made a kid to
Damn,
this.
this shit got 25 million views. on
Made a
it.
kid to this.
Wow. We gotta make a song like this.
Yo, let's get
Blame
the
it
R&B
on,
shit popping.
blame it on the hookah. We're gonna make a bachata. Make a bachata song. We got I Don't Fucking Baby on there. We get what's Pedro Martinez in the intro.
To hold up on a fucking baby. Shout out to Pedro Martinez for finding every Dominican. I was gonna say, is it okay for me to call him a Dominican midget? That's problematic. You know what I'm
That's
saying?
your culture. I cannot comment.
That's what I'm
on
saying.
it.
That's true, right?
That's your culture.
Okay, yeah.
That's between you and
We
bad
are allowed to police our own
That's between you and
cultures.
bad Dominicana.
Yeah, she's gonna flame me. She's like, fuck him. He's a Dominican male piece of shit.
You are though. Yo, shout out to all everyone. And, shout out to all the podcasts and
Shout out
shit.
to all, yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to all my podcast people who are not locked up.
For the culture. You know what I'm saying?
Oh,
Damn,
you-
yo.
Yeah.
Not niggas really need podcasts because, like, yo, Trump is really trying to slay the whole press shit and, like, CNN is fake news. Like, get you niggas out of here. Like, it's quiet
He's
for
using
you.
Trump. He's using Twitter to talk directly to people.
Yeah.
And that shit is like, you know what I'm saying? There's no fact checking.
Peligro.
Because when you tweet out, it's through a vacuum.
Mm-hmm.
Because like my timeline is basically like people,
Like-minded individuals.
Like-minded, exactly. You get it. Every now and then I'll find someone with a dissenting view. You know what I'm saying? Like there are people who listen to the podcast, and I don't understand why they would listen to the podcast in any reason whatsoever.
Yo, there's this one guy in particular who is the wild Trump supporter, but it's always in the mentions like, yo, ha ha, like, yo, y'all are mad funny, yo, get off Trump's stick. One tweet is like, wild slander, it's like, yo, show's mad racist, tra-da-da-da. The next one is like, yo, you should win every Emmy.
Yeah.
I'm like, bro, make up your fucking mind.
But no, because you know what the thing about our show is like we're not a political show.
Yeah.
We're not out like we
We're just-
make fun of shit.
Yeah, we're just us.
But if you bang with some shit and someone's mocking it, you feel that warmth in your chest. You feel some kind of way.
Yeah.
So you have to comment on it, especially if you're white. Because white people are the devil. And they come from the Caucasus Mountains.
Yeah.
And the only reason you guys exist is because dogs helped you chase down meals.
Yo.
And you almost froze out in the winter because you have no top lip.
Yo, I want to read this.
That's sponsored by Viceland.
Yo, the no top lip shit is kind of scary.
You know,
But,
it happens. It happens.
It's mad weird.
Listen, you can still suck a dick with no top lip. I mean, shout out to all my snow bunnies out there.
Yeah. Yo, my God. Yo, damn.
I mean, it is what it is. Listen, we are going into a brave new world.
Yo.
Not like Aladdin. We are going into a presidency. This presidency, and I'm not being bombastic.
Nah.
Mr. Bombastic.
But
No, like, this presidency makes or break America.
True story.
Like-
No hyperbole.
We're not even thinking about 4 years from now. Like,
No.
we have to survive the next year.
Yeah.
Because we have to see what he does. What kind of, like, is he a puppet for Putin?
Yep.
Are we going to break our alliance with NATO? Are
Yeah.
we just going to, like, scroll away? He said he's getting rid of the National Endowment of Arts.
Yep.
Do you understand how much more important that makes this podcast?
Yep.
He's about to, like, stop funding for arts.
Exactly.
And you know what it is? Because he doesn't read. He's not cultured. He
doesn't.
has the reading comprehension of a 7th grader.
Absolutely.
And listen, you can't do this. So we're the voice of dissent. You know what I'm saying? We were just having fun, and apparently we will be leading the Wolverines against the Russians when they invade the town.
Yo, it's ill, man. Like he's appointing people that don't know what they're doing to
No
do
idea.
jobs that they don't even. Yo, the Rick Perry shit is like an SNL skit.
It is.
Like you are appointing people to do jobs they have no idea even what the job title is, what it entails.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? Like shit is spooky. Like you said, the fucking endowment for the arts.
Yeah.
Yo, that's
you know what it is.
that's wild.
I'm not the biggest fan of America. I would never be like, oh, I love America. Blah 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 blah. Yeah, call me a traitor for that. Whatever.
Yeah.
But when I hear my parents talk about America and why they left Jamaica to come up here and the hope, the optimism, the opportunity, they came up here like, yo, my kids could do anything, and their kids have done everything.
Yep.
Especially me, nigga.
That's right.
But I was just saying. So I respect America. So it's like. I feel some kind of way. I don't want to see America like crash and burn.
Yeah.
So we gotta keep doing this, keep doing the art.
Listen,
keep doing the show.
Our parents
being the
came
voice
here.
of dissent.
built something.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
Keep it going.
Built the platform for us.
Mm-hmm.
We got on the platform, built the rocket ship, and blasted off. You know
That's
what I'm
right.
saying? So now that we're blasting off, we don't want the shit to crumble and fall to pieces. You know what I'm saying? So we are the most patriotic people you probably listen to. You
That's
know what I'm
right.
saying?
Fuck Glenn Beck.
You know
all
what I mean?
right?
Get that nigga out of here.
I'll rub an American flag
Nigga's a
on my
clown.
dick. You know what I'm saying?
Fuck outta here.
Y'all enjoy. I'll put that on.
Yeah, because all that shit don't mean shit, bro. All that symbolism, that shit don't mean nothing. Be like,
mean
it's
nothing.
just about like your life today. What is it like?
That's
You know what I'm
right.
saying?
And you know, we're living our best life. Shout out to the sponsors. Shout out to Bodega Hive.
I'm saying for all y'all.
It's the Bodega Boys.
That's right.
Episode 52.
52,
It was a dark episode. It was a
was.
real episode. Happy inauguration. I hope you listen to this today and it takes your mind off that whack-ass inauguration.
Whack-ass
that
shit.
fucking tangerine in power. And we gonna, listen, Donald Trump, we're going to be on your neck every fucking
day.
day until you quit.
With
which
the
is-
Timbs on.
Hopefully that's in March. You know what I'm saying?
yeah.
I hope you get out of there.
Yeah.
I hope you get bored with it and go back to your fucking show.
Damn.
Stop using all that highlighter on your face.
Fucking clown.
You look like a Sephora thought. Yo, it's your boy, Diesel Nice, a.k.a. Diesel Vice, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, a.k.a. Pocket State Fat
That's
Lacteria,
right.
a.k.a. Chris Afro Slinger, a.k.a. Eli Libby, a.k.a.
right.
Butcher Butcher Cousin. Someone I might know you, bitch. Young Day Party,
You
Young
might know.
Hot Take, Diesel A Fuego, Mr. Nano with a Rando, Mio was the Quattro. Excuse me. Mikhail Gornoff.
That's
The
right.
Juve was. MC Little Gunga P. Pulling up for 40 with your shorty. A.k.a. Don't talk to me in the open port. I don't know you. I didn't call in the head. I need a car seat.
Can I have a booster?
I was told by the TV commercial my child has to be in this until they're 5. The original my plus one got a plus one to the regular for son. Diesel Rossi, the Jamaican Jew.
That's right.
Meryl, I see you moving into the thing.
it's a
There's
nice
a
guy.
CRX in your driveway. It has no tires. And it's on cinder blocks. So you think you want to like move it? It's like bringing down property value.
worry
I don't want to be
about
that
that,
guy.
Glenn. It's all right. Don't
all
worry
right, whatever. Jermaine Avocado Toast. Young Pa. Yo. Scar looks kind of gay. The ghost of Mufasa.
That's right.
Young Charcuterie at the Coonery.
Wow.
A.k.a. Chili Limon, the left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Que lo que.
Happy he throw the ball.
Remember that time I went to Copacabana and I shot myself because I had a Glock
see.
inside my sweatpants?
Yeah, you did Chuck
Vice
Owens
Game, Makuzaka, Trifon Jones, DJ Makuza, Jay Chuckles, Stanley Coase, the human Dr. Bondo's labor.
Whoa.
Why?
Dilute.
Dilute. Mr. La Marina, Mess Marina, Refreshments Marina, Cold Deuce Marina, a.k.a. Dino the Trapio, a.k.a. Mr. 240p because I like my Pinot Blurry, a.k.a. You're listening to Washed FM. Up next we have Give Me the Light.
Washed.
Just give me the light.
Dirty.
A.k.a. the Curry Goat. A.k.a. your problematic bae.
Wow, that's right. Episode 52. Goodbye, society. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag Flap, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? Skirt loader. I know fucking, baby, I fucking, man. Check the guest list again, nigga. No, I'm not stepping to the side while you check it. Suck my dick from the back. You know what I'm saying? The out of the air. Ben Smack Me Yumbo. Feel the ass Tyson. You know what I'm saying? The Dominican Dun Dada. You know what I'm saying? Now open your medicine cabinet. Please place the benzos elsewhere. You know why? Because I'm the Zen man. Rico Sabroso, baby Newport. You know what I'm saying? Nino Brown, East Tree, my Stevie B. The Plantain Supernova. And pulling up for 3, who is it? Barmelos Anthony. Papi, déjame decirte algo. Llegó el hijo de Tito y FIFA. Más frío que un wiki. Más frío que un wiki malito. Prende la juca. Estamos activos. We out here. Ponte que puede que se aguante.
Oh my God! I hope the subtitles on that thing. We might be in LA next Friday. We might be back. I don't know. We'll figure it out.
Who knows?
Our lives are so wild. We don't know what's going on. We in the 1% right now. But you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Bodega Hive. We out here. We
We
love
out
y'all
here.
niggas. Staff for rocking with the art. Yo, we out.
Guess what? Drivers outside.
Oh my! Wait!
What?
My phone's lighting up.
Who's that?
Oh shit. Oh fuck.
What happened?
Damn.
Oh no.
Wait, what's today's date? I can't believe this nigga died on the 20th.
Oh shit.
Wow.
Oh.
Damn, shit was cool. Like, nah, this ruined the whole day and shit. Damn.
Wow, damn, nigga.
Friday, January 20th.
Damn, what happened?
Prince died.
We out, got it!